I used to run down. They used to run down now.
right now, even the brother from quarters where I must even run gone a while ago. Me I come from Luana. And before you catch where them start sell the shrimp, me drop in a hole around there. So 2 times I mash up 1 time, you know. Did I know? 2 times.
Listen, man, a man come from the
program. Out on the Baptist main road, the Baptist main road.
Yes, man, right before you catch where lady them sell the shrimp.
Yeah, Baptist main road. What trucking service place out there?
Me say a 2 times, I bust 1 time today.
Yeah. But you not turn anything in some deep politics. Like a Porsche left whole of Jamaica.
No bother with that. No, because look here, me ask my friend there, me say, yo, all right, we are rewind. We are go back to PNP.
Hold on. Where Dennis? No, where is Dennis?
Porsche left a whole of Jamaica too, you know.
Brother.
How they drop down in a Porsche well?
No bother with that, man. No bother with that.
So alright, make a pass on the release. So Bruce calling like a whole Porsche.
All of them. That's the point me I talk about.
Brother, all of the Prime Minister,
I never tell you, say, the road them, the pathway free. Me say, the woman didn't maintain roads in Jamaica. She might can't maintain every single road. But there was a program where they don't maintain road. That is what me say. And me I tell you, say, Andrew make it sound like say the woman never maintain no road, none at all.
Boss, Dr. Guy is a PMP. Is a PMP council I said there. And me say, the amount of pothole down there, I mean, I know they're not dead.
But all of the Prime Minister them may come in office, them left the road in a deteriorated.
No man, this is one worse man. No,
brother.
This one worse man.
This worse man. You have to talk truth, brother.
Don't say that. Listen me, brother. Remember the global warming where they go on, brother, and a lot of rain and stuff fall, brother.
How was that? How was the global warming a while ago? No, brother, nobody that.
Want a rain power, brother.
Listen, man.
Global warming, man.
Listen.
Oh, come on, brother.
Who that, man?
When they make contract, listen, man. When they make contract on that either.
Jamaica always warm, boss.
Listen, man. How much year we have drought in Jamaica since 2020?
When me talk about global warming, you have to understand.
Listen, man. Yo, me ask again. How much year we have drought in Jamaica since 2020?
No, what I'm saying is not the drought cause the global them to go bad into the global warming cause a lot of rain.
Listen, man. Yo, let me tell you this, man. Any man.
Excess rain where we are.
Any man. Gretchen. Listen, man. Any man will believe that if you go back to basic school.
Yeah, true.
Any man.
Real talk.
How you measure the volume of rain will fall in Jamaica? How you know if a Porsche get the more rain, or PJ or Bruce Golding? How you know rain never fall?
Now Jamaica get the most rain, boss.
You understand me I say? So when I come tell people about, yo, how much rain fall? If how much rain fall from 2020, listen, man, if how much rain fall from 2020 till now, why would them did that dry up? And now we damn not reach back to 100% capacity. But
exactly.
Yesterday I come tell people about rain, brother. You feel like I don't see no talk to me, Dan?
Cool, man.
No rain, no mash up, no road. I maintain the road, them not maintain. Because
I build them not build road,
you are talk about, we talk back to 100%.
What mash up your road?
And the big. The dam not even big, much less.
All right.
And it's not 100%.
All right. Well, all right.
So what much up your road? There was no rainfall then.
Look here. When they
Listen, man, let me tell you what mash up the road, brother. No maintenance of the road, mash up the road. When you start maintain the road, then brother, it's gonna mash up.
Caution.
Every administration fall in that category there, brother.
Caution.
I tell you.
Caution. Caution. You know, say a lot.
Easy, man. Lie, I tell hombre.
Why?
Because me can copy your article right now. I show you the amount of road we maintain. Right from 2012 when Porsche come in and she put in the program when he Jeep and the whole on this 2-man program about Jeep crash, and the Jeep was installed for do we call it house infrastructure, road, bridge, to deal with the trimmings them on the side part of the road, drain and all of them kind of something there. You understand what I'm saying? Big man, listen, man, just mute the man, let me talk to me and talk, brother. You understand what I'm saying? And listen, man, just have talk and name the man, yo, me don't talk. When I talk, me and listen, man, when I drop my point, them, I don't want caution, I don't want to stop my umbrella, stop the style, let me done. You check? When the woman bring in the program named Jeep, the whole of know that they laugh after the woman and this the woman program what should bring in to deal with the road and all of them kind of sit in the house and everything. The whole of know. And then no, you never come talk like say, well then, yo, the woman never put in nothing none at all. And she never do nothing none at all. A wicked and a wicked, brother. Wicked and a wicked, you come for the program and say, yo, you is a man that talk, yo, man, to the mute, to the mic, to the man, yo. You understand what I'm saying? If you call a spade, and stop chat foolish, brother. From Andrew take over the program, the man, you see how the man wicked and terrible? The man changed the program from Jeep to Hope. No fun no know, so the same program where Porsche bring in, it name Hope. And the man changed the program name to Hope, and the man cut off road maintenance, deep bush in the place, and all them things that are fight and just deal with house alone. And when Porsche start the program, she deal with everything. And maybe that's why the program never reached far enough, but the greatest thing is that you have an initiative where you deal with road, drain, the clearing up certain bushy area, bridge, all of them things that housing program. You have something like that for a wide brass to try to deal with things slowly but surely.
Caution. You have
no. I'm to the mic, yo, brother, man. See the next man to call me name, my youth. See next man to call me name, my. But what? When they up here chat, and me there listen, me and them on my food, my. They say me stop, no. I mean, but. I'm telling my youth, let me talk, hombre. Because I spread be a lie. And everything when me talk, me can prove that right now. I'm going to put that up on my screen. Watch this now. I don't want none to open the mic, brother. See it, yeah? 2014. Jeep, Portland, St. Mary, St. Anne. The program which began November the 25, 2014 is a part of the government multi-million-dollar major infrastructure development program. When me talk, me can show no. When you come up person just want to come chat because when you see one phone, we have a mic on it and you can click TikTok and come up and talk. When me come here to talk, brother, me don't come here to tell a lie upon nobody. And if you call a spade now. You understand what I say? And look for the next something we make a show now again. See it now. 36 projects will undertake across 3 parishes. Says the works. The works will include maintenance activities in the form of patching and resurfacing on some roads with asphalt, concrete and double service dress. There will also be a construction of random rubble, a Gabidan retaining wall, as well as cleaning and construction of drains in the trimming of road. You understand me I say? And look again now. Man, sometimes I tell you say, yo, man, yo, brother. 2015 this now. The program close to completion, over 600 million has been spent to implement projects in communities island-wide. Phase 3 commenced in 2014 and the majority of these projects are over 96% completed. So now labor rights stop it, hombre. Your head tough. Me just tell you say the G program stop and name Hope. Hope that name now. And the man take off them part here, fight, and just use the housing part alone. That's why I see man go around and I build a house, and I go like a Porsche. This was a part of a housing program. I'm going to show you the part there. And all of the things them where this program consists of Jeep. Oh, I'm telling you, man, I'm coming off a top, brother. I'm going to come off a top. Hold on then. La. Most of me never screenshot that part there. I go look for that part there and screenshot it and put it up. And all of the things them were cheap have underneath it. I'm telling you, man, you trying to come over here somebody to come talk, brother, man, you. Me don't like them. I'm one chopper me the system I'm a contractor. Me don't like them style there. We're supposed to can't talk fair. When somebody do them work, you're supposed to give them credit, brother. All if you don't want to like them. Yo, me don't like you still in a push about here I go and big up yourself, you do a lot. In a 4 year where you get. The truth is just the truth. This is not opinion. This is facts. Can't open the mic now and chat when I want to chat now. Don't talk.
Yeah, when the highway that built around on the north coast, me a travel them road at them time there. I mean, just stop and look. I mean, I like see what I go on. And when the man them do just the road base alone, the man them do over 8 inches of road base layer before them start even lay the asphalt on it. You understand? Them road there as a road for build. Look a piece of thing we are going nowadays. Look, when we see the road at St. Thomas where the brother come out on a PR stunt panty of 400 million US to build that road there. And when the storm eat away, you know, see, even the man them rise the road, they can see all road underneath it. Them things they should dig up.
True.
You understand? Them things they should dig up, brother. And you look pan it, not even the asphalt we put on pan it. And even 1 inch good.
True.
That not gonna last. No proper drain, nothing. Next thing I say you have fiber optic underneath it, you have this pure light. And see them now, see the thing just wash it out and expose everything.
But the driveway of foreign build better than the road at Jamaica.
Then a must, man.
You see, back in 2015, we used to wear 205, 45, or 40, 17. That size tire them used to wear for my car. 205, 40, or 45, 17. Them tire there some thin tire. See? Me no move from where me live in, I still live in the same place. You know what size me have to wear now? I have to take off the 17 and put on some 15. When I put on the 15 and I start wear 195, 50, 15. And I have to change that and buy some 205, 60, 15 because the road them up there. Terrible. When I say terrible, I mean terrible.
Terrible bad.
You follow me?
Yeah, man. Me link up with my friend them.
Hold on. We live in a East Rural St. Andrew. See? We get the most. Where when I parish, we get the most rainfall in Jamaica. Anyway, in Jamaica, rainfall up there. So. You see, yesterday, rainfall up there yesterday morning. When I left my yard, I left out when the rain eased down. As I reach on the road, I see man in my patchy road yesterday morning. Night rain.
Throw a mall in it.
Yeah, I threw a mall. And last night when I go up, I see asphalt tonight. You see, this morning when I come over, all the asphalt to them put on yesterday. Start lift up back already, you know, bro. This is sitting on me can take picture. Me can take picture then something and show me, you know.
Alright, me can say something. Alright. You see the National Works Agency, we deal with the road. Alright, them fi control the road thing. You understand? And cause when you give them thing to talk, so look a man around the place and we understand nothing about road.
Oh, for good.
You understand? It's a big problem. What me I say, what we fi do now? We fi set up a thing where we register a company. And you have a class, so you go if you know how to deal with the road. And you have a certificate for say, oh, okay, you deal with that and you go apply for your thing. So like if a road, say you live a city then, and you're in a parish, and you use a contractor for this, so you can show your credential, say yes, and you get if you go patch your road. We cannot take up any local man to go to us on shovel, so mall, hole, you understand? At too much money, the amount of money we have, what them say fix road this up, brother. You're supposed to have high quality road.
I know so them give out work at Jamaica, you know. I vote them give out work for now.
And that means it have to stop. It have to stop.
Okay.
It have to stop.
Because the supervisor don't know nothing about road. That's the number one. So if the supervisor don't know nothing about road, what
exactly. Exactly.
I'm an engineer or something like that. I'm not talking about supervisor, I'm talking about an engineer who can go there and look on the road properly and say, all right then. See, you see that little pathole there? If we patch it back, it'll go open up back in a 3 months because the soil where they under the asphalt is not good. So we need to get some proper shale or something and put on some mal and then asphalt. You know, think an engineer should have do them type of thing before.
Because say something.
Yeah.
I pass the road. I don't even call away because I'm a different parish from one. I'm like how you see that man that dress up in a white hat and him thing. Me in a construction of foreign. And when me pass and see the amount of man who sit down on the roadside, and when me see them, I do, I stop and I say, Bridget, I don't saw no build road, man. The man say, Galang, where you go? You understand me? And me know so I can get 2 man and jump on the machine them. Me don't need more than 3 man. And do a better job on them.
Brother, all right. Right now, I'm in New York. And the most road infrastructure going right now in New York right now. A lot. And we travel, we do road. And road work are some serious thing up here, you know, brother. Where man have to in at them vest. You have police at every site. Yes, because a serious, especially on the highway. Remember, say put up all sign, you know. If they catch a speeder in the work zone, you know, all 5-6 points off your license one time, you know. And if they catch you 2 times your license suspended, you know, so a serious thing. And the way them the road there, brother. When asphalt go down, a 4 or 5 inches of asphalt, you know. And remember, say you have road base, you know, different to a concrete, you know. You see me? Even the mall where them a mill, when them blast the rock and they have all the things set up and do the mall and whatever. You know, so that mixed with cement and put on 6-7 inches on the road as road base.
Yeah, man.
You know that?
Yeah, man.
That put on, you know, plus the proper drainage. We talk about drainage, you know, brother. Important, you know. You know, right now, if we get a hard shower rain, in a 5 minutes to look out the door, everything dry up. You could like you never get no rain.
Yeah, because the road, Jamaica,
proper drainage.
When Jamaican, what we call it patch, the road not supposed to level, my brother. They put the road supposed to
high in the middle.
Like a roof.
It's supposed to crown. The road
yes, man. Right. Super crown. Right. Yes. Right. Yeah, man.
The man them build the road when water set up on the road. That's not how you build road.
Beg you a second.
Yeah.
You see the road building, too much tree hang over the road in Jamaica. And when the tree up over the road, rainfall, the Baba Green start rotting because the tree a shade the sun from dry out the water out of Baba Green in the morning. The road we fixing that, daddy. Flight, come a St. Elizabeth, come see me.
Right.
Fix road. We have a tractor them out in front of the yard now. The roller they out there, the backwood there.
Right.
And because of him, and then look at thing, then take we out of system. We don't fix the road.
Right. So here we know. All right.
And him come see we a fix road.
All right. Me drive. Yeah, one thing when I go upstate. Yeah, some places though where me have a tree over the road, you know, but where in a them back road there, you know, whole heap of trees over the road. You see, once you have drainage, brother, it's very important. I remember say, them a place I go through some serious terrain, you know. Winter, summer, even there. So when the sun hot, the other place are different because them a sun melt the asphalt, you know, brother. You understand?
Hey.
Melt it, you know. When truck drive pan it cake up, you know. So, even when it snow and them salt the road. Not mash up the road like salt, you know.
Yeah,
salt, dig it up, you know, mess it up, you know.
If the truck come and drip like a gas oil and by 2 months time, our whole the way truck drip gas oil.
So, all right,
it
here
costs
now.
for many other little things.
That's why we need proper engineer. And guess what now? Jamaica are the best engineers because, you know, me work with engineers up here. And at Jamaica, them come from, you know, brother, but guess what? The pay scale no right. Them have to migrate. So the whole of the people, them, a migrate to come at them place, I can go put in the right. Yeah.
Let me tell you this, man. You see the government, don't care for the local people then.
Right.
You understand me? I say, you see all with the boy named Christian, where the carry med right now. All him, we turn contractor and get work over you because see the government him only care for people who have it. You see, if you don't have it, there's nobody. Because people who travel, no say Jamaican workers, plumbers, electrician, everyone away. When we got foreign go work, we are the top trade man there, so. And you hear the Prime Minister all time more say.
Hold on, the boss. Hold on,
brethren. We not qualified to do the work in our own country. And our country are grab with for the work in a feed them country. And them country, they are first world country. When I say about a third world and a middle income country, brethren. You understand what I say? Just as how now, we realize with the whole farming thing and the same road thing, right? Jamaica couldn't have an infrastructure where we use the same people in our country and develop a road. For the main complaint is that we don't have the resources. People there so want to invest in them country and can't invest in them country because guess what now? All of the foreign investors, them get first preference. They now build your people before become a millionaire. Looking at America, them build for them people to become a millionaire. You understand? England, China, the world and place there, and Jamaica, the hunger place where import people become get rotten rich out of our country and even enhance for themselves in a for them country. Because Bill Gates is not a citizen of Jamaica and he have much business at Jamaica. Rothschild is not a citizen of Jamaica and he have much business at Jamaica. And you have wholly more of them. When they live here, they just come here and just spend them money and them reap the benefits out of our country.
Cash and tax free.
Tax free to Pantapay, thanks to other part there. Them are paying a tax. You know, say, yo, brother, I say, yo, Jamaica want real eat that, yo, me I tell you, say, yo, I what the man I say, yo, if you live in America, I'm sure you know, if you live in America, and enough people run to America and I tell you about this and that, and now come to Jamaica, and Jamaica, when it comes to them kind of sitting there, we remove all red tape. Because a man show me, so when I live in America, you know, I have all the business at Jamaica, and I still have to pay tax so that America see me, you know. I say, we never know that. I say, I mean, and why I think enough of them come and use our country, them come here and get our passport and say, you know, we are citizens of Jamaica. All because they want to reap the benefit, yes, sir, and stay, yes, sir, and make for them way. And when them done make for them way, you know, them pack up for them, pack up and go about them business.
Me I work for your brother up here. The man they do computer programming and thing. The man they bad. They do apps and all them thing there. And me I work for him, I do a kitchen for him, man. He must show me say Ed Bartlett and them come up here the other day, you know, and them hold a forum with them, and he must send a love to go contribute back there, UE. And you know what? The man them no want that, you know, like the man them want how much outright, them want how much outright them, how them are going to benefit. I know for the people them now, all about them pocket, you know. So that finance, that's all them do. When you see them take plane, I go all about. I sell them, I sell out with them, I sell we out. They don't want to do fat up them pocket because them don't want to
show you another thing.
Yeah.
Where just say, you see Pirates of the Caribbean movie at Jamaica that for sure. You know who make that shoot at Jamaica? Babsy Grange. Because she put up a red tape to say if she now get this amount of money, she now grant them the permit.
Exactly. And
that movie there end up move go on another Caribbean island where collect royalties after the movie there up to the day. So you see it though, she under that thing about fear packet at the time and not the growth of the country. For say, well then, this movie I got attract more tourists to Jamaica. This is form of an advertisement, you know. your people them get paid. You will get a little thing, but because you not get what you feel you forget, you feel like you forget more than that. You red tape. A lot of Jamaicans and a part of the deal with Caribbean, Pirates of the Caribbean contracts was they was going to use the Jamaican citizens and pay them. And I like them bring in a foreign people to do the movie. They want our people to do the movie out of Port Royal. Because that was a real place of the pirates in them time there. And the movie when you have Pirates of the Caribbean Island, based up off out of Port Royal. And they couldn't get to do it out of Port Royal because of Babsy Grange. And see, the movie end up slap. Then them have to do a part 2, 3, 4, I don't even know how much part them got. But the movie end up slap. And Jamaica economy, that could have push the economy. Push the economy off our heritage. What we have out there, probably is not a good heritage. But at the end of the day, it's beneficial to a lot of people. What would that happen? People would not get royalties off of that. We don't know how much money them we don't collect, but them we not collect. Them people are in a power when they JLP, they don't care about poor people. They don't care. The only time them feel like them care about is when election day come. And when you reinstate them. When you reinstate them and done they say, go back to square one.
Yo, Marky G.
All right, gentlemen, keep up a good fight. Keep up a good fight. Me I go cut out a little bit and do something. Duty call.
Yeah, man.
Look, so just keep up a good fight and God bless you all.
They can't say something.
And then I'm going, I'm coming. God bless.
A time for we take back the country.
They can't say something bad.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, man, Benny. A long time you wait.
All right, yo, and a white man I left from St. Mary and I put my way I got Kingston. Some man I work on the road. And you know what I said, I just hold my mouth because I see my notice them. And we go to town and do what we have to do and I come back. Because I see a place where we left the man and them consider sit down, you know, brother. And the man turned to me and said, Ben, this is how these guys work here. I said that today Friday. We couldn't say nothing else. And a government money, you know, brother. You understand what I mean?
Full money.
Eh?
Full money, taxpayer money.
Because of politics. Some of them not qualified to not even sweep the road. You understand?
Until we rise up and take over, because we have to take over the country, you know, because here now, Marky G can't lead if we not back him a lead to, you know. If we're not ready to lead, you know, make no sense, because we have to take over it and demand what we want to, you know. Because as I say, a different time now, you know, brother. You understand? Different time and we not.
Well, listen to what that man I got say now. Andre, I know him have something to say, you know. Me hear him have to say now.
Bless up. So, we need people to invest in the country, right? Like maybe the way the contracts was written before, like for instance, the Philippines, if you're going to invest in their country, you need a Filipino, right? We don't have that in Jamaica, but I'm not against investment, right? But all of these policies for investment was written a long time ago and they are just continuing with it right now. But we need people to invest for the country to grow. So that's my view on it.
So all right now, so your terminology is that now, right? That's why I'm telling you, say, I have a leader, Burkina Faso. I see that you up on the internet all heap, and I have to give hats off to the man there. I have to big up the man there. Because I see the man there, he not share the views that you share. I know what the man there do right now, the man there developing country so fast. Than how it did develop before when them have investors. You understand what I say? So me no want nobody come try to come brainwash people come talk about, oh yeah, if you have investors to develop country. Oh, Burkina Faso remove all investors, go back to state owned, but yet still them country grow at a rapid pace faster than when investors the inner them country.
You have me answer you. So the man though, and buy tractors and then put the people them to work. Agriculture, road. So agriculture, fix the road and put them to work. And the youth them must go to work. This is not a joke business. You have to work.
Yo, you see that boy, you see that hombre there? Rate him.
Right?
And an example out of theme book just show we say, see what Andre come up in a chat. Illusion him attack.
The next thing again.
Illusion.
The next thing again. Look what him do. The man say him no need no big vehicle for drive or MP them or whatsoever. They must buy them one vehicle. And take that money and invest. And invest in tractors. Cause you work, you're MP. Buy your one vehicle. Why the government buy vehicle gear you make so much money? Buy your one car. The nurse have to buy one car.
All right. You see,
The doctor have to buy one car. Come on.
You know, so this is how we understanding. It's a PJ party, so as bad as all people want to classify the man, the PJ party not drive one Volvo from in the 90s, come straight up in the 2000, and Bruce Golding drive the same Volvo, and that is the reason why I give Bruce Golding respect. And I'm telling you the reason why I give Bruce Golding respect. Two things for the man do. When the man that go buy the vehicle, the man come out and say, listen, people, you know, say, I drive. Me remember that interview there. And him explain and tell me that I drive and the vehicle break down. And him have to go purchase a new vehicle because this vehicle, I give him trouble and it break down on the road. And look away for the Prime Minister vehicle, I broke down on the road. And I totally applaud him for that. Why? Because at least him come and explain to us that him go buy a new vehicle. When Andrew only buy a new vehicle, I see the entourage pass and see the Christian. Nobody knows when this man go buy one vehicle. And this man buy more than 10 vehicles. The man have a BMW 7 Series. The man have 2 Discovery. The man have 2 Range. You understand? Plus,
a rich man
plus some other vehicle we see him have. And at the end of the day, nobody, the man, yo brother, might come like gonna take man for you that in this brother.
Some of the vehicle them where the MP them a drive can't go in our country. Me not see no sense. You have work. You have a job. You're an MP. You get how much you get your pay. Buy your one vehicle.
But me Dan, the vehicle where something that you buy. Well, if you say, well then, all right. Say for example, you decide say you want to go on. You want your own flare. Use a pay and buy a car.
That's it.
But if a vehicle provide for the Prime Minister drive the damn vehicle. Every minute you now come with taxpayers' money for buy a car, and at the end of the day now, when you buy the car and one time you leave office now, you get the car for cheap and little and nothing. So you buy one vehicle for $20 million, or when you leave office now you can get it for buy for $2 million. So who benefit now you?
Then look for a big great US where are the same vehicle who much president have to step out and go back in.
Alright.
In a change, you know, in a change. At the same Escalade where Obama, where I come down from Bush, Obama, and see jumping right now. The same vehicle.
There's something want to know. What's up about Jamaica? Why when Andrew go in a power?
Hype.
Because the people like you don't stand up and defend it and say, no, this can't work. We allow them to do these things. We're supposed to put them, we're supposed to do what we have to do. And we are the problem, you know.
Say to Lord now, we have a woman in a parliament, buy one vehicle, right? The fear sister and use taxpayer. Oh, you got taxpayer money, she use the concession, basically taxpayer. And buy one vehicle for her sister. Plus, she collect money every month to maintain a vehicle and she now travel in a vehicle and do government work with it.
It's a garbage, man. It's all garbage. That's why now you as a politician, now, based on how me hear you talk, you're a strong PNP man. You must make a difference. You must make your voice heard, my brother. Use the program to make your voice heard because whether you're a labor right or you're a PNP, you want better for your country. Me believe the doctor have to buy one vehicle. The nurse have to buy one vehicle. The fireman have to buy one vehicle. Why the politician not him buy one vehicle? You work.
Yes, but this won't change under either of the parties, though. Right?
And we are the people.
Yo, listen, man. Yo, Andre, you see, for the patriotic certain way, you better come tell me about it now got change like I say you want to see this something forever. Big man, when the voting people vote for change. Yep. Because you see, if you're a party will come in all the time and yo, this now got change and this and that, man, come out here, man, and put somebody in there. As a matter of fact, call me if you turn the Prime Minister. Make me deal with it then. Because if them can't change it, put somebody who can change it. Because you have only for patriotic people in this. Where Andrew take and when time Nigel Clark come to parliament with a big salary item and I tell Nigel Clark, say, listen, I'm telling you this, man, with all due respect. That work shouldn't be voluntary work. I'm not try to attract nobody in a politics for money. Because if you attract them for money, they will thief money. Because the money are them aim. We want to attract people when they want the money. So here we go on. Cut the salary. Cut it. If you don't love what you do, don't come do it. And who want left. Because when them left, me know say them people never come to develop the country. Them come to develop them pocket. And then now we can get in some people now who actually want to develop the country and know say, listen, me don't care about the money, brother. I just want to see the brand Jamaica. People like them that live in Jamaica now, right now. But then when I take the job without a salary, them just want to know so them can get food, them have them shelter, them have a little allowance to do this and that and rate, they don't want a bag of money. Me are one of them. I know so we can find 62 more. And I can tell a couple of them in a parliament, but they're not going to agree with me. They're not going to agree with me when I call out them name. Nobody over the JP part. No in this, feel no betterment where I'm not going to say that still. Mike Henry a good youth. And Carl Samoud a good youth. I'm not going to say that about them two man there still. Them two man there, we put them out. But you see the rest of them, and money them there for. You understand what I say? And them things that we need for attract in our country. People as leaders when I look for money. Andrew coming a power. And when Andrew coming a power now, look on this now. You coming a power, broke. And all of the years when you supposed to run the country, you get rich. And people still can't ask you how you get rich. So all along, you never come in at the country to run the country. Because when you should have focus on some key things, you have focus on your 28 bank book them. You have focus on your stocks and bond. You have focus on your company around so. You have focus on your company over there so. New to the mic no man.
I know my mic.
I mean, talk about PJ. PJ one of the best prime minister ever walked on this planet.
You know, Caution, I'm not speaking against what you're saying, right? Like politicians should take pay cuts and all these things. But the thing is, will the PNP do it? They will not do it. That is the thing. Even if the PNP...
Big man. Let me tell you this, big man. You're not a mind reader. You understand what I say? Don't talk about what nobody won't do from what they won't do. Because that is lie. You need to come and say the JLP will not do it.
Caution, the man that talk about experience to, you know, caution. Because the labor at the liquor pan Porsche send by added for 200,000 US. And them come by big vehicles see them way. So, me don't understand.
I never added the woman buy. And them two BMW should buy. The man could still use them two BMW there. And when Porsche fly, listen man Benny, when Porsche fly, Porsche use her own money. Because when them that tell us, say, travel this and travel that, she come and make them know, say, listen, and the taxpayers' money me use and travel. And my money. No remember that though, though. You hear when you come talk about the vehicle, but you not talk about when she travel and use her personal money for travel. Brother, man, I don't want to know, yo, you see if you don't know when I talk about more time, I'm before you sit down and come talk, brother, because I get me aggravated when you not talk, when you don't know.
That's what man, you stop turn off man mic, you have to listen to man.
And lock off your mouth, brother, because you not listen, you chat something when you don't know. Because you don't know that, the first thing we tell you, you not even know that, brother, I tell you, stop that off your mic.
Listen what I'm saying.
Listen for what? Listen if you come tell a bag of lie, brother. You gotta talk something when you don't know.
The labor right used to say Porsche buy vehicle and they buying vehicle too. What did I say?
This way you want to say, man, me a talk right now. And you have a program, I want to know. I don't want to talk more than me. I'm getting on my spirit now. I want to talk. I keep my church, I'm a school. You understand what I say? When the woman now take Jamaica taxpayers' money and travel, you never see that. But as soon as you see one little something so, you highlight bad, but you never highlight good what people do. And when you see the party coming to power now, you don't want to highlight it. You come to my program and tell me, say, Siaga is the best prime minister ever walking in Jamaica, and Siaga making in the 90s, Jamaica crash. Eh? And if I ask you certain question now, you can't have an answer. If I ask you, how much loan Siaga taking in the 80s, you don't know. How much people Siaga make lose them job in a public sector, you don't know. The deal when signed, the Washington Consensus deal when signed, you don't know. And you can tell me if I listen to you, I don't know nothing, you talk of your feelings. Man, I want to tell you, man, when you see my program, brother, my program is not for the feelings, brother. And the feelings we deal with up here, so, brother. How you feel? More ask your opinion for the first time of the conversation. But you see, after that, a facts we are deal with. So your opinion can be that Andrew Wallace is the best prime minister. It's your opinion. But you see, if you have to continue the conversation, we're going to reach upon facts now. Why do you say him is the best prime minister? Produce your facts. I'm not going to take away your opinion, but produce your facts. Not even your facts. I can't be your facts. Produce the facts. For sure, say, Andrew Wallace is the best prime minister who ever lead Jamaica. Whenever do, exceptionally, when no other prime minister never do yet before. We're not going to say house. Every prime minister build house for people. Now say upgrade hospital. Every prime minister come in, do something for the hospital. Now say police station. Every prime minister do that. What the man do exceptionally well that we can look and him can stand out different, give back tax. Alright, give back tax, So $20,000. Well, if you don't want to give him that, you don't give him that. Me not give him that, because $20,000 right now can't do nothing for me. I see people who never work yet get $20,000, so that is not give back tax. I know enough people who never work at the end of them life get that the money there. And then I tell them that. Them not a track record of work, they just put in them TRN and them get the money. That's called vote buying. Indirectly. You understand what I say? Yeah. And you have people who underneath the threshold, them work and them don't get the money. So that is not give back tax. Tax I went to you actually give back something where they collect from people because you can't have a man at work and him underneath the threshold, but yet still a decline him. I have another man who never work in our government for them ban. I sell himself. And you say you give back tax. Well, I don't know what to call tax return, but tax return don't go so. Tax return go off a base off if you buy certain things and you have up a receipt them, you can file them back and you get a percentage of your money. That is tax return. So you spend $1 million worth of tax and say, yo, you know, say if you get back 20% out of $1 million, the government give me $200,000. When we go and prove, say, yo, $1 million worth of tax we pay that year, I give them back $200,000. That is called tax return. But you giving everybody $20,000 is not tax return. That is called vote buying.
So what do you think about the amnesty for the persons who couldn't afford their water bill?
Well, I'm not the first that Yeah, man, I'm not the first that man. Go and go look in the 90s, man. That happened already.
Okay, I'm gonna look that up. I didn't know that happened.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You see the difference between we and them. When we not afraid to call out our representative when them go rogue and do fuckery, them people I condone them because all of them when we see come up here we support the other side. Them never come with a mandate to say, yo, watch out, a foolish them are doing, you know, and the place now run right, you know. Look how the country stay. And you never hear one of them come and talk, say, yo, the country for run better start. You understand?
Yeah, man.
You know, feed them answer.
But I want to go one talk there. Because as I talk more, it's not take me down. Listen what I say. All them worry for millions dollar drugs money where government took it from the drugs dealers them and get too much coke and they sitting there. You ever see them have none of them say they burn their money there. Burn their coke there, burn their money there. Or use their money there.
Drive for. Listen up before you come on the program. It's certain things you can't say. I can flag my life.
Okay, sorry about that, sir. Sorry about that. But what I'm saying, some of those things, what them don't use them and fix all road and they sitting there and do some.
Yeah.
Yeah, and fix up some hospital with it and do all this in there. So what the money they go? Ghana one man package. When them catch all this scam, them and take. Huh?
Now check out something and see. Go on talk. Now check out something and see something. Go on talk.
Yeah, when them catch all some scam with all some money for money and all these things, and the people them the balls and them get scam and all these things. Ever hear say one of the people them are United States or over the world get back $1 back out of their money? Who take their money there? What they use their money there do? I just buy little 2 point me want to make still. So me go and listen to you. So you can get somebody else a break. But right now, me not tell no lie youth. Me vote for Labour right now. I never vote for Labour right again. Now, all of the people that on PNP. Remember me tell you this car wickedness and go and nicer country, brother. Me will never go back and road there again. Who want Bex? Remember, can you see? Just when I want changes, and you say foolish just like one and wrong, you have to stand up for the right. And I'm not dieted, nobody I know dieted this and dieted that. But they cut. Remember, but just for the election call.
Drive out.
Big up yourself, drive out. Big up yourself, drive out.
See, a man said the money there. A man said the money they go back to national security. But you ever hear the Prime Minister when he read budget or when he tell where money come from him say we allocate it from that yet?
No sir, never.
That brother here, Nick, where are you? We can't hear you good.
Yeah, you're Nick.
Walk on. Talk up a little bit louder.
Alright, since you say guilt is not ideal.
You can't talk up a little louder, my general. Can't hear you.
Hold on.
Yeah, we can hear you a little bit.
Yeah. Since you say the PNP are the ideal party for the country right now. What plans the PNP have in their gallery? We can improve the life of people.
First thing, hold on, man, listen, man. First thing, we want to press every politician were underneath investigation for illicit enrichment. And that includes the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister will have no. That's the first plan. And you see anything will come after that, a goal. That's the first step I want to see. I want to see the day when time MP and Prime Minister thief people money and them a walk through cell block.
Awesome.
You understand what I say?
That's the reason why you want the PNP to win then.
Of course. Politician with thief got prison.
Okay,
So caution, you know, feel say if that happen, Mark Golding or go prison too.
Well, if you can show the money where thief, fine. But at present, right now, Mark Golding is not under investigation for illicit enrichment.
Marson, if that question there was asked, like you did specifically talk about, you did name out somebody. You never name out nobody. You say politician. Anybody it is. Anybody at all in the investigation, I got jail. You never specifically name out nobody.
Don't come to me with no foolishness, because you don't have my ears. The man said the Prime Minister. Don't come to me with
including the Prime Minister.
Including the Prime Minister. That the man said, bro.
Including the Prime Minister. So include Mark Golding.
No. Including the Prime Minister. Because we have money right now. We're unaccounted for. And they have to sit down and defend that. You understand what I say? There's no way a man can come in a politics, broke like a church mouse, and to the day him turn billionaire in the country. Him have to thief money. Him have to. And I ask him that. I tell you no.
No, you better be
nobody come go and like say my youth. People are dummy in this brother. The man borrow a loan. Him say. Him borrow a loan for build him house. 2016 the house done. And him a pay back the loan. And between paying back the loan until now, the man turn rotten rich in Jamaica that the man can go buy is the property where him have 5 times now. 5 times the property where him have right now, him can go buy the property where him have right now, when him bill, when him borrow loan for buy, for build in 2016 and 2024. The man can buy 5 other property there. And it no move him. Man, stop chat fuckery in this man youth. Stop chat fuckery in this youth. I want him to know the man have to take money. Him have to. And that's our problem. When you see them something, then if you call it out, hombre, and stop sit down and go on like so you want people to come talk and answer story who do no my youth. Call jump over moon and them something there.
Bro, how much property Mark Golden, how much property
yo, my youth, listen man, look more. Later, cause me not talk about Mark Golden and the Prime Minister. And the Prime Minister me talk about who run the country.
But the man talk like say Mark Golden coming in politics.
But the Prime Minister, me don't want to hear nothing. And the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the man who control the central government. That me a talk about. I feel him and in the cookie jar right now. So if I know the Prime Minister you talk about, we're not in a conversation.
General, let me ask you now.
Yeah.
Why is it them can't prove say the man have get illicit money from taxpayer? Why them can't?
All right now. You see the thing about that situation now, and that is where me have a big problem with the Prime Minister. The man them have them proof, and him a try to go to court to scrap the whole process of unexplained wealth and challenge the process of how them arrive at the conclusion. Not even arrive at the conclusion, arrive at them findings. You understand what I say? Yeah. Them want to scrap, arrive at them find them something. You check what I say? Yeah. And me have a problem with that.
You are going. You see that illicit thing here? That now gonna stop him if he win the election. So you see PNP party.
Well, listen. That's your opinion, you know. That's your opinion. But watch you know. Watch you know. I'm sure you are gonna stop him from winning the election. This is going to stop him from winning the election. Cost of living. How much it costs you? No, I'm going to go for the cabbage at time. I'm going to go for the basket. Right, you know what the cabbage you go for? Yeah, man, I draw for the cabbage. Hold on there. Don't move, Nick. Don't move. I'm sure how much money for your cabbage at Jamaica right now.
General, you can't use the cabbage.
When me can't use the cabbage? No, you ball already?
No.
A ball, you ball? Listen, man, Nick, start the balling. We're going to use the cabbage. Guys say I can't use illicit. Come up my cabbage. Yeah, man. See it there now. See my cabbage there. Stop ball, man. Stop ball. $3,700 for one cabbage in a Jamaica.
No,
when
man.
the man go to parliament, listen, man, calm down. Just relax. You say that can't use to win the election. So that was my campaign plan or strategy. This is my campaign strategy. Cost of living, food, how much it costs you to feed yourself and then the JLP administration. How much it costs you? $15,000. You work for a week and you pick up one cabbage and a $3,700. One sweet pepper and for $700. I want to go for other food items yet. For the week, $15,000 cannot serve you in the supermarket. I don't want nobody come tell me about down at town, you know. I don't want nobody tell me about the wholesale. Because when the Prime Minister bring the basket to Parliament, him say $3,000 full the basket and it's in a supermarket him go. So the same knife will stick cheap. I shouldn't say that, you know, because I don't want them ban my life, you know. But the same thing was good for the goose, good for the gander. So the same place where him go for shop for campaign and the same place me I go for shop for campaign. Because him campaign, he couldn't go in at the place, right? And walk with my basket and probably spend less money than $3,000 and come up to more goods. That's how the man do. But now we realize that one cabbage cannot go in at the basket for $3,000. One single cabbage. How much it cost a person will work minimum wage to fund themselves for the week for food? Eh? How much it cost them? Food gone through the roof. People not eat healthy no more. You have another situation where we are used to hospital. Look at how the hospital facility them run down. Look at how them do the little girl body, internal organ them are ratting out and them have a life machine. People don't at KPH and jump off a building top. The way the condition in the horrible. Them a jump off a building top. You understand me? I say people go down to hospital for a baby, and when them come back out, them have to criticize them bad. Listen, King Diamond, when me a talk, brother, me a do my thing, man. It's either you're easy or something that you come out, brother. Me don't want nobody disturb me when me a talk and I do my thing, man, youth.
Just ask you about your plastic bag time and that. Me just ask you for your pride.
Oh, man, so, yo, the next time, moderator, I see next time, my mic mute, and he interrupt me, just take him out of the box, me, please. When you see the pastor preach, brother, just ease yourself. You understand what I say? With the health system right now across the whole island, can anybody come up here and tell me how much CT scan the hospital them have across Jamaica, public hospital as a matter of fact? You understand what I say? No hospital, not them something there. Mr. Man, come up here and come tell me about Black River Hospital upgrade. You have CT scan machine down there? Eh? When you got a hospital, don't you look at the hospital paint up and look nice? You feel like say, well then, me prefer the hospital all and a tear down. But when I go in there, I get service. When I go in there, I can know what happened to me. When I go in there, nobody now give me a $10 rated referral. If you go all over the place, you go spend $300,000-$400,000. I'm just going to one public hospital. We're supposed to attend to my needs immediately. When I got them place there, it just come like say, lay down to go on the magnets. Because them not no tool, no equipment for work on you. They say I bet me any money. Dave Scott, me I like the betting thing still, because I don't like paying the money. Come up in the box, because I want to bet you.
Listen up, sir. Listen, drive out, just say something. 1 minute, please. Listen up. That's the first time when I go to school, me just see helicopter there. When people in a critical condition, accident or any critical condition, you see helicopter take them from point A, carry them go to point B. Even from Mobile, St. James, Canada Regional, carry them go to Kingston Hospital. Right? But right now, you see up a hospital now, when I say park up around the earth. Like they just say, wait till you're dead. Earth the park up around the figure got dead house. So nobody now look for you, attend to you as quick as nothing or fast as nothing. As you're dead there up you. Somebody take him can go to dead house there. But
then, man, Dave Scott. Come up in the box, come tell me how much money I bet. Now you sound like you have a piece of food. I'm on when the election win, I can get my salary. I may look from about $500,000. I can't manage $500,000, I'm second for $250,000. They say, yeah, bet me, say it now got change. I mean, 100% sure, say, Moses, I got change that. Understand? 100% sure. So come up in the box, come make you know how that better go, and which part of the money, not better. You come make it better with me on you, I'm done. You can't make money talk and then you back out. Because you in yourself, not sure if Mark Golding I got change this. So that's why you can't run, come up and come bet. If you do 100% sure and fly up here and bet it, I even 10 grand, 20, 30, 40, bet something. I will put on your money somewhere, somebody have it, so when I was sick. And you name out the things that you want to see change. And when you see that change, you just, well, you don't have to collect the money, because me can go collect my money. The Uncle Judas is Andrew Wellness. Yeah, man, Andrew Wellness and Judas to Jamaica.
Fear.
Yeah. Yeah, Fear. Right now, you know, Dave, you can come up here and I can teach you about politics. I'm younger than you right now, I can ask you some questions. I don't mind if you come up in the box, I ask you. I want to ask you 3 questions. And see how best I can answer them 3 questions there. Come up in the box, I say I'm too young. Talk, and the next time you type, I'm going to see in the box. I'm going to mute you because I really can't bother. If you read your comment kind of catch my eyes a little while when you say I go bet. And where I'm going to see you flounder now and you buck shuffle. I don't really depend on them talking there with nobody, brother. They come up in the box and exercise your knowledge to them. We could go, I think what them call them civics. Come up in the box, man. Come up in the box, man. Come up in the box, I'm going to ask you 3 questions. To see how knowledgeable, make them 100 and odd people that say, me where there are so much more things than you. You can't answer them. So come up in the box. I'm going to want you in the box because I don't want to ask you in the comment and you go type it in by your phone and answer. I want to ask you right so you have to answer right away. Since I'm more knowledgeable, I don't know nothing about Jamaica. I'm 100% sure say me know more history than you with the typing this so. You're just a labor right. Anyway, which family there now? Hospital, because this try distract me. Secondly now, agriculture, right? We are talking about agriculture. Yo, on the mute that brother there, can now come up in the box, you know. We are talking about agriculture. Look what the government are do to the agriculture people. Can you imagine? Right? You live in a country and it's easier for you get an importation food and you have the best soil where I grow the best food in the whole world. People can't wait to come to Jamaica. Forget the Jamaican food. But yet still no, you have a leader coming in power now and instead of him enforce that and maximize it, you suppress it by giving your friends importation license. I don't know if Fly Green have importation license, so I'm not going to say him, but I'm going to check out him. But I know Azan have it, I know James Robertson have it, I know say Christopher Tufton have it, and his son, and who else, and some few other JLP people, and some private sector people. Yeah, suppress the farming industry in Jamaica for suit on yourself. And as a matter of fact, them people will have the license. And make sure, say, them not paying a tax. Look at ice now. Look at ice. Jamaica import ice. May I ask you, Jamaica have one of the purest water in the Caribbean island. Who agree with me? Who not agree and disagree? Me agree, Jamaica have the purest water in the Caribbean island. So why would I not import ice from Dominican Republic? Which other Caribbean island right now we can import ice from? We have purer water than Jamaica. Eh? The same man, we are chairman, we down on the wharf, Jeffrey Hall, him have an ice place in Dominican Republic. And him have shares in a pure ice and happy ice. And him have a next company when they Narbrook Equity. When we are talking at this brother, people come talk about bias and them things, the brother. When we go, look, this man, we are import ice, I buy ice on himself. The man I buy ice on himself. And I sell we back here, so. Because him own the ice place at the Dominican Republic. And him import it and him are the chairman for WAF. And him have shares in a pure ice. I want to the bread, Jane.
Then our Jamaica people have nothing. And them and their friend. Put them in a place for them have things. Remember. True, you talk me out. God you never know. No lie there in night, youth. Remember me tell you that.
Yeah. Like I'm not walking blindly. Like I don't agree with the ice importation, right? Like I was shocked when I saw Oral Tracy talking about that. And then they came out to say that it was the factory burned down.
Which was a lie. That was a stage. No faction burned down. It was a stage orchestrated move for importing ice, brethren. And then the ice alone, there's a wide variety of things, brethren.
There's Sabotage ice factory to start importing ice.
Yeah, brethren. It's not even one lot of ice alone, brethren. If you dig deeper, you find out some things that open your mind, brother. The man them basically destroy Jamaica for importing everything with them can import just to make money, brethren. And people like Andrea, they on the live, amongst the other laborers, I say you are something good that. I can't have something good that, brother.
You're my idiot.
I said I didn't walk blindly. How did I agree with that?
No, I'm not talking about the eye situation. I hear what you say. But me I talk about in a general aspect, brethren. You will never come out and say, yo, watch, you know, this is the way how the government treat the agricultural sector is wrong, brethren, and you don't like it. As a laborer, you have to stand up for certain things. You stand up for something. If you don't stand up for nothing at all, you're going to lose everything, brethren.
But I
Same
agree
way.
with 500 million being invested in agriculture. I agree with them
Brethren, listen up,
giving grants to coconut farmers.
listen up. You
I'm
sound like a
agree with
bad
coffee farmers getting grants. So why I don't understand what you're saying?
Brethren, listen to me. I say you sound like a bad parent, Brethren. That's a spoiled parent to give you anything what they ask for. And the business what want come out of it. Just a throw money upon them. If you don't do things with passion, you're gonna lose it, Brethren. Wake up, my brother. Why it's so hard to wake up? You could have thrown $50 billion trillion in night, Brethren. That's another point where we are saying. You have to wake up, Brethren. If you not do things to better off the country, you can't just throw money at things. You have to do things with plan and strategy to make it worthwhile, Brethren. So you throw $100 billion in our sector. That means everything all right there, Brethren. You're not blind, Brethren.
But here again too. Everything where Andrew come up and say the man them believe and appear lie, the man tell. All the man just come to a call numbers. He fling 10 billion this, so he fling 20 this, so and we now research if it's see what go on. Appear live I tell. We can
because in Blackway from investigate deeper enough to know how the money go. Listen, we don't know how government thing go. Let me get paid for fix one road and I say, all right, the MP come and say, oh, the road they go fix. It passed through on 50 and before it reach the man to fix the road. So them know them are the Brethren.
Everybody take a piece out tight.
Everybody take a piece.
Some contract you out.
I watch and when Andrew, when Andrew give a man a contract, he more than say Andrew said him say you want $1 million out of the 10 million. I don't know how you gonna cut it in. But me $2 million put on for me in the Brethren.
I want man take one expert and give somebody else.
Exactly.
When you reach young till last man, you shell out.
When
scraps left.
Well, I know Diego, you know, so there was a time when simple farmers could have farm and send them picnic at university.
Just by Brethren. So now me talk about Brethren.
If they even take a loan, if they even take a student loan, we send them picnic, then could have farm and paper.
Come on,
Brethren. You know, so that was a thing that used to exist.
Come on, South St. Elizabeth and look on the type of house, man, and the type of vehicle, them. Farming, everything. Farming.
And there's some of them know our work.
Okay.
Me see how they look.
Farming, do everything.
Listen to what me I said to you. You see, if you don't have people, if you don't know people who work on a wharf, where me have a brother who work on a wharf, where him check the paper them who come in, and things that we import. And the man come to me one night and say, oh, look on the things that we are import. We are import jelly water. We are import some things me have to really wonder, Bridget. Me I say a madness list to blow out. And all the man them do is sabotage the agriculture business. So the farmers them can fall short to give them an excuse. Say, yo, we are bringing this and bringing that, man. And madness that, brother. Yes, it look nice from paper in a Bridget. And it look nice and you watch it.
Yeah, your background kind of nice. Yo, man, I want to subscribe to my YouTube, you know. For this, I'm going to start drop thing them, you know. How this?
But even look where him and Vars do. Sell out the land to build hotel. And Vars go to Mexico, go collect how much million US for two of them. And that's why Vars losing visa, you know. Right, that's up. But if you say something
criminal for a long time, man.
Some big out take Andrew. I go normal because I watch Rattigan show and they put up the document them, you know. Where the man them and the man them go out, the man them sell the land to the hotel or them. And sell it for little or nothing. And go back over and pay kickback them though. Pay kickback. That's why country man go nowhere.
Mute. Yeah.
So listen me now, 1 second there. What about the island where they find in the Jamaican water?
Them not telling nothing about it.
The island from 2015.
Them not gonna tell me nothing about it. We don't even know what I'm going with that.
And I hear them come over, they say, no island don't find that. If the island find, we would be the first Jamaican people to know about it. Say man them wicked, you know, man. Say man them all criminal, you know. Say man them wicked. Yo, they say thief, they love say thief in long bag, you know. And we don't know how them not get locked up yet in a Ghana prison, you know, brother. But you see, because everybody in the thief in ring, Ministry of Security, and the whole of them thief in gathering. No man not lock up nobody. Because everybody a friend. every government care for their city, so and provide things easier for their nation and people. This old rubber boy and the barber and the 50 thief, Jesus Christ.
That's why we have to come together and join forces and go after them, you know.
Get rid of them, brother.
Because we can't just sit down and say, Marky, you're going to do it if we're not ready to. We have to ready to.
No, brother, we have to get rid of them, brother.
Ready to.
We have to get rid of them, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yo, when I hear me a labor right now, I tell us that my little dirty boy have to come out. The wickedest premise I've ever seen in my life. And my grandfather used to tell me say labor right only response to rich people, you know. And the wickedest people them, you know, we go behind the man words and go vote for labor right 2 times, you know. I say, man, if I could have turned back the hands of time, I turn back the hands of time, man. And wickedest premise I've ever seen touch ground, man.
We have to call a spade, brother.
Yes, brother. That's the truth. You don't know, dieted, nothing to tell like nobody, and they try to kill them nobody. Say truth, and right, youth. Wickedness never touch ground, brother. Remember me tell you that, brother. Man, you're alien, brother. I'll alien better than that, brother.
Yeah, me that person.
Good evening, comrades, and good evening, labor rights too. Drive out. You
no, PNP, no.
Just listen to a message, drive out.
Yeah.
You know me like about your argument to your show a while ago. I really can make me there and me listen. And me just decide to join it. Me like what you say. You vote for them 2 times and you find out you're wrong. You find out so you make a mistake.
What you mean?
Now you get a chance to correct that.
Me say them have to come out.
Yes, you get a chance to correct that. So
God let Moses. You have to lift up.
You go correct it. All right. You myself, because you touch on the topic about the oil. I mean, I don't want us to get carried away about this oil thing. Yes, them find some oil in Jamaica, you see? They find traces of oil in Jamaica. But what Imperial is going to drill for or search for now is if the volume of oil is there for them to start drilling and mining oil. You understand what I say? That's we have to get that right. Traces of oil is on the shores of Jamaica. But what they do not know is the amount is there for them to spend billions of dollars to start drilling. Because if you go drill the oil in a brother, on chicken feed money we are talking about. It got billions to set up drill and all of these things with drill oil. So if them are going to find 100,000 barrel of oil, that don't make no sense.
But I don't will pay the money as a citizen, our taxpayer money.
No, it's not taxpayer money. But listen, what you have to think about, if let's say me I go invest my money, me have to go see if when me invest $1 million US, if the return when me I go get from it is profitable. That is the first thing when me have to go look for, So if it's go profitable for me to start that business there, if me I go, you understand? So me could hold off on the oil business there first and wait until we hear if them search and find the amount of oil where them are look for. Because I personally would love if they find 500 million barrel of oil.
Lucky. Why Vaz couldn't put it like that? Why Vaz couldn't say it like how you say?
No, because listen. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna say this. I mean, I want to know if you feel like something I cut against PNP. But let me tell you something. You see, politics. I mean, this is how we understand about politics as we grow wiser and smarter. Politics is all about who can tell the better lies or the more believable lies.
That's true. The most convincing lie we can convince you.
You understand? So him not gonna come out and tell you, say, boy, like whole
lucky.
Yeah.
And all politicians tell we lie.
No, listen, caution. I never say all politicians,
Lucky. It's
yeah.
Not all politicians tell us lie.
It's not all of them tell us lie, caution. But we're talking about the top.
Listen, man, structure your conversation better. Yeah.
All right.
Better tell me,
some politicians, for some politicians.
Lucky. Better tell me, say Darrell Vaz, tell us a lie.
Yes, he did.
There's Vaz tell more than one lie already, man. What is one lie?
For one person.
Yes, he did lie, and most of the times the politician. All right, just push it over. Me show you something. When Babsy Grange come out and say him don't know the man where get unalive the other day. Do you think that
Oh,
is?
such man. Such
Yeah.
man.
Don't
Yeah.
interrupt him when he talk, man. I think so.
Do you believe say in a no way, shape or form she could not know that man, and that man is a prominent figure in a PR constituency?
Yeah. No, we know all that.
Yeah, it's in there. You understand what I say? So we have to just understand certain things in the thing, you know. But right now, as the PNP slogan say, time come, and we as the voters have to go out there and make a strong statement. So we are fed up and we are tired of what this regime is going on with. You understand? We
Hey,
have
Lucky,
to.
I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
The company that's doing the exploration is nowhere close to being able to conclusively state whether or not they have oil in significant quantities. They have done the soils testing. Now they're going to do the cores. At the end of this stage, they'll say they'll have a better idea, but they still do not know if they have oil. Even if they get to the stage of drilling, they might end up with a dry well. How then can you say that somebody's lying about the oil that they have found? We're nowhere near to finding oil as yet. How you arrive at that?
The engineer. Did you listen to what Darrell Vaz says?
Yeah, man, I heard Darrell Vaz's comment.
Okay.
And I read all the reports.
Did you hear what I just said a while ago on this platform here?
Yeah, man, you said there's oil there, but it may not be in sufficient quantities.
And did I said they're gonna start drilling? I said they're gonna
No, sir.
I said they're gonna be testing.
All right, so tell me the lie. Tell me the lie that has been told so far regarding oil. That's what I want to
Darrell
hear.
Vaz come out and said there is no oil found in Jamaica. And don't tell me, do not
there
tell
is
us
no oil that has been found in Jamaica, big man.
You know
That's a true statement. There is right now, there is no oil that has been found in Jamaica.
Me hear a thing for the media, and when they say how much barrel of oil found and some US investors and some people.
Totally made up. Total made up stuff.
Okay.
Where they are in the process right now, they cannot make that sort of determination where they are in the process. In fact, where they are in the process, they're not even drilling for oil right now. They're taking core samples.
Then that's what they're testing the core samples for, boss.
Core samples will reduce the possibility of there being oil. It gives you a better idea whether or not there's oil. But even after they move from this stage, many sites move from this stage and still turn up dry.
But listen,
many of them move from this stage where they are now and still turn up.
What they are testing for.
Listen, me no need to argue about this. Yes, Jamaica has oil potential, but there is not been a commercial discovery. The country has drilled wells and identified oils and gas seeps, but has not yet found enough oil to produce commercially. So when him say we don't find no oil, him lied.
A foolishness attack, Chief.
All right, yo, listen, man. If me read this, you gotta tell me, say, me not to believe when me read. Just find a way to the exit.
Remember, sir, you are the same man who talk about Trinidad discover oil.
Listen, brother. If me read something,
no, but you read something in I pass and you're wrong. You read some foolishness about Trinidad, remember?
Look, come on. Me not depend it with you today. I me show you this and you gotta tell me say foolishness this. Me no need to talk to you. Brother. We see the information and you gotta tell we say nothing no go so. Yes, Jamaica find oil, but we don't have commercial oil. You better say that. But don't tell me like say we don't have no oil, none at all. Like say we no buck up on no. The people just left from them country and just see one spot and say, yo, go right there, so go say if we can find some oil. When I say go, yo, make us spin the man. Listen, one other man, make us spin the globe. And anywhere we hand drop, and anywhere we finger drop, and that's how we just go drill some oil. Bullshit, brother. Bullshit, man, you. I don't know how to stay, so, brother. And if you see the information in front of you, where them tell us say yes, we find oil, but we don't have enough to produce commercial oil. And that's how the man just explained, say, them are try to check to see if we have enough oil. They can do commercial business.
Yes.
Lie, the man tell. And the information will go and look and see the information there. Now, sir, me no want you nothing more from the engineer. You're disingenuous, brother, and you lie. And I can't bother go, we not back and forth, because people like to talk about facts. People like to see information. And we're living in a time now where information, nobody can come brainwash nobody on TikTok. Nobody can come brainwash nobody, because it's simple as you go up on your phone and you research anything where a man tell you. So, meanwhile, they talk, I just go and type it in on my phone and put it up on the screen. And you know what?
Answer for your thing.
Can't be a part of the conversation.
Can I say a thing?
Yeah.
Good evening, everybody. I agree with what you say. I there listen all along and I hear what you say. Because here was some people are still sticking on the old way. Because here we have so many things where we can know what going on. The phone is here, the internet there. So them find oil, but them don't find as much oil. So them keep on a search. You know what I mean? So I agree with what you say.
Yeah.
Them don't know
me there look on it. Me there look on it, me G.
They don't know the follow.
Them a try to find a sweet spot.
Them a try.
Where them can hook up on a bulk of oil, where them can say yes, we can make money.
They can go commercial and go wide world with it.
So I discover at Jamaica. But them little done move some man coming out on the bridge, man. I want to move some man.
Yo, take me down, Medan. Take down drive out. Take me down, Medan. Make some ideas get respect.
I discover at Jamaica, but guess or not, them just don't find when we don't call it now, the sweet spot, the spot where the bulk of height there, and that's where them a search for. Cause another find one
real way, me G.
And when them drill, them realize that this wasn't the well. So them a try search to find the well. I search the well now, you know.
Yeah, the real, where them can get a holy.
So me when you look
and them will find it, you know. Them will find it, you know. Cause continue searching, cause you know a modernized time now.
You know why? Not for the JP, them do about the oil situation now. Because you see, if we talk about this oil situation now, that I go show up them, say them are high things from the people. Them I like them discussion and them I like them topic when you talk about the oil where them find and them thing and them run come fast. We say nothing no go so, because guess what? If we actually, and let me tell you how I know say oil there at Jamaica. I show you one next thing. Since lately, which person you see start traveling a helicopter frequently? Just check, man. Since lately, the Prime Minister, why you think him a travel on helicopter so frequently now? Because you see, Ushpa them have the something there, you have to take helicopter to go out there. And you see, and that's why we might not have a full understanding for what go on, because for we to go and know what go on there, so we need a helicopter. You understand? I want boat. Now for we not gonna take up yourself and go out there, so it's easy for him to come and tell we are life. He say, yo, you know, so no island there. Because we are gonna find out what go on. We have to go have a helicopter to go out there. And from me, see him start travel by helicopter, that alone conclude my evidence to say, yo, I did there. So him change him means of transportation, because him a look on him investment. Him a go check on it more time. Yeah, man. We not fooling in this, brother. Socialists and a fool, because we go to school. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. So I think go.
Real way, me G. Real way, awesome, G, man.
If me add the engineer back again in my time, come with the same look at dirty style. Listen, I'm not dependent to nobody today, you know. And you see, if a topic come up, I'm show it up on my screen, and I saw it go, the topic done. You know want to hear about it. I there Jamaica, but we don't have commercial islands yet. Argument done. Darrell pass, lie to it. Full stop. Run 5 full stop back of that. So I don't want to hear nothing more about that.
No, hold on the caution. So you just post something where you go research, pull up, and it will show something. And then it must say that this is not credible, but what Daryl Vaz say, credible? Why?
Listen, I don't want to hear nothing about the aisle something, the argument done for the aisle thing for me. I there, and that is it for me. I don't want to know who credible from who not credible. I there. Daryl Vaz lied to it, and that is just the truth. So we have two persons who lie to the Jamaican people. Two persons who are certain about who lie to the Jamaican people. And we are
all right, so you want to move on. Can we talk about the roads in Jamaica and road maintenance?
Yeah, but your prime minister lie about the road maintenance. Your prime minister lie.
So the PNP has been saying that they had set aside this money from the gas thing, from the gas tax, and that was sufficient to maintain the roads. Now I did some checks in the thing, and I realized that the amount that is in the fund that them collecting from the special consumption tax thing is not much more that they have been spending each year on maintaining the road. So what kind of foolishness this? What am I talking about now? The money that them collect was enough.
Hold on, man. Before you make such a stupid argument, right? The argument when me I go look on you and say no. If me I put $10 to maintain the road and you put $0 to maintain the road, which one are we better?
Yeah, so the PNP was putting $0. No, man, them never did put.
I ask about PNP, I ask about me and you. Me put $10 to maintain the road, and you put $0 to maintain the road. Which one are we better?
The man who put $10 would have better. Right, so that means that the GLP better than the PNP.
Hold on. So how much money Andrew Owners put towards maintaining the road from 2017?
Far more than the PNP used to put.
How much money?
Big man, far more money.
Yeah, man, say no, man, yo. Listen, I got ask
you see, you don't research anything, so you come in here and talk.
So listen, I got ask you again. The Road Maintenance Act never stopped in 2017.
You know how much money them used to collect from it?
I ask you one question. The Road Maintenance Act never stopped. Big man. The Road Maintenance Act never stopped in 2017.
No.
Come on from a pro.
No.
Come on from a pro.
The man don't know facts and the man tell me if to come on. No, wait.
No, me no need to argue with you no more. Trust me. Yeah, man. Me no need to argue with you no more. Yeah, man. And I go for me something and put up where the Governor General and the Prime Minister repeal the Road Maintenance Act in 2017. Hold on there. Go on talk. Me a forward.
But if you
the engineer, you really come on a program and say that the road maintenance fund the Prime Minister never shut it down. Andrew never shut it down at 2017.
But Cosmo.
The
Prime Minister himself come out and ask him shut it down, you know. The Prime Minister himself said him shut it down because it was not enough. And my question,
stop it because it was not enough. Caution asks
and my question to the Prime Minister, if you
ask a question, right? If one man put $10 towards the road maintenance and a man put none, right? Which one is doing the worst for the country? Right? Because if
I wonder if it can go so. 6 or 7 now in our box. We want this get bigger so people can read it. We want this get bigger so people can read it. I'm not coming for some talk what kind of my mouth, brother. I'm not going on a back and forth with a man. I'm not getting a pick me head. Run up my blood.
Alright, I'm going to let us can deal with it.
I'm going to just take you off from a program, brother. I bet you ask up and say, why do you want man talk with you about this and that time? Can you tell me I don't need to go back and forth with you when me have the information and me can read and see something? Cause my background, yeah. Me don't need to go on a back and forth with you, brother. Me don't need that back and forth with nobody on the life. The man stopped the road maintenance and repeal. The word where them use was repeal. The Road Maintenance Act in 2017. See the sign and the seal there. Well, I mean, I try to say we can switch. I try to say we can switch the something, you know, the layout. Well, still not get bigger phone seats, John.
But Cosmo, that would...
No, man, this better. Can I see this one?
Yeah, we can see this.
that?
Caution. What me did I say? What me did I say is this: using tax from off a gas for pay the road maintenance fund. Now I'm bulletproof plan that because gas have to buy and more and more car are coming in the country. So the road will automatically have a fund where constantly they fix the road them. So I don't understand why I'm not repeating such a plan like that.
Why?
So,
Why? I don't know.
the way how me look at this, you see, if I take over something, if I take over a business, I'm say the funds were the principal money that was injected into that business to keep it afloat was not enough, right? And me take over the business. My first priority is to see how much more would if me put in that to keep that business afloat. That's what me I go look at. Me not go say all right. Me I go shut it down because the money when me I put in the not enough. That don't make no sense. How that make sense? All right, you shut it down. Where did you put that fund that used to go to that initiative? Where you take that fund and do with it? Where the money they were in the road maintenance act where go? What happened to the money the way you say never enough? Why never?
I ask you a simple question. Which one better if a man I put $10 towards the maintenance and a man where I put $0? Which one better? Your answer said the man where I put 10. I'm gonna ask you if Andrew stop it, you're gonna tell me say no, and the evidence there. You're gonna tell me say Andrew put way more. I don't come up as a in an argument with no man back and forth and raise up my blood pressure. Because when you come up as and talk, brother, you not talk with no substance. You understand what I say? No substance, you not come up as come talk. You just come raise up people blood pressure, brother. I'm done with that now, man. We're done with that now. With this back and forth. You say this, you say that, and you try for whatsoever. You not come with no paperwork to defend, nothing at all. I ask you, how much money him spend? You don't know. Eh? You don't know. The man start maintaining the road. Andrew Wellness is the main contribution towards the deplorable conditions of the road. Time stop. Maintain the road. Or you have to have road and stop maintain it. Eh? Or you have to stop the road and maintain. I talk about GCT. What to the SCT money? What to the SCT on the gas? Where the money there? Eh? Where the money there? Where you go up on the hedge fund? Where Andrew Wellness thief. Up to the day we don't know where the money there. One time we the one put in with gas insurance. So the gas got too high. The money there we don't cushion the gas for it. And up to this day, as a matter of fact, let me tell you this stuff. All the shall raise the tax in 2017. The man raised the tax. And them still collect the tax up to the day. And yes, we don't have the insurance pan gas. So where the money there? Where the money there do? Big man, when you spend people money, brother, that money that where Andrew spend, and that's why I'm a thief the money. But can make it look like the money where I spend. I'm a collect a fee money. Our money. And if you decide say you want to do something else with it, you consult the people and you make them aware of your plans and your intentions. How much time people call him out and ask him, Where you do the money? What go on with the money there? Where? You can't answer nor tell we. We can't know. And that's our problem in other country. We can't have a prime minister. But them things are secret. We can't have a prime minister in one country where them things are secret. We can't know what going on in our own country. Them things are madness. You understand what I say? Money does a miss up. Money does a shoot crossway so. Money does a go all about the place. And we don't know nothing what going on. We don't have nobody for ask. We don't have nobody for go to and say, yo, boss, you what going for the money there? We can't do them things, the brethren. We can't live so. And that's why we country in a deplorable condition now. Because the Prime Minister don't have no accountability. Him not do no transparency, him not show what go on, him not tell what go on. The man run the country like say up him yard him a run. Like I catch him yard. Me no catch a yard, Snoopy. Me no catch a yard, hombre. As a matter of fact, we the people up here, yo.
Yo, gosh, so can I do something?
Well, on the bed, you know, the move some it as me talk, so I go down and want to say something. When you get a chance to talk, man. When me not talk, brother, I try to talk, man, you can stop trying to interrupt me when me I want to talk, brother. You understand what I say? We don't catch the man yard. For no, if nobody come feel like say, him a do you a favor. And a favor you do, brother, you're supposed to do them something here. You upgrade hospital or a paint hospital and you run come like you want people praise you, hallelujah. Hospital for paint. Whether it want to be every 5 years or every 10 years or so. Police station for paint up. The road them for paint up. The road for maintain. The sign them for put up. All of them things they for do. But at the end of the day now, when you go deal with it like say, yo, when you do it, we're supposed to praise you, hallelujah. Like say, yo, you never have to do it. And you do it out of the goodness of your heart. For at least, well then I practice him go and spend that, so better I tell him thanks. The more I take off from a country and I put in a 28 account, and that you do. And you still want to tell you thanks for that? For thief for money? Eh? You have some hole in the road. But if a car dropping at them hole there, I wreck your car out of that. You can't drive in them hole there. You drop on some hole in the transmission and engine. Bust up. When people talk, brother, mute here my long time, my youth, and still. You understand what I say? And now, in 2025, when it comes to election, look on your dirty style now. You want to come and say you're going to fix road. I like you want people to praise you now. After you mash up the road them. You mash up the road them, I want to come fix the road now. I want people to come praise you and say, yeah man, Andrew fix road man. It's a wicked blood, hey. It's a wicked boy. You mash up the road. And you want to come blame the previous administration. You want to come blame God. One time you should have maintained the road. And you not do it. Nobody knows say you never maintain the road them. Because every day we wonder how the patrol them get bigger and bigger so. Them time the Andrew not do nothing for the road them. Andrew not care about none of the road them. The only thing Andrew are maintain 28 bank book. Them well active and update. The man are maintain them bank account them well active and update. Because the man have 28 bank account to run from all long and none of them no go dormant. He must maintain them. No. The money can go in and come out. So I can't maintain the road them for people can drive on it. Come like a beg this man here. For the little work them for in our country. Come like a beg this man here. Yo, brother, man, I tell you, yo, John was star, I tell you, say, yo. farm to my yacht, and then you come up here, so now. I go on like say you want to come defend Andrew, like on the name Justice League. You understand? When you name Justice League, you don't want to come defend the man with him criminal activity and him criminal gang. When Asandi in a parliament, when take the money out and pack it and build the place. Andrew only say, nah, sit down in a parliament with him. And right now, Mr. Dalrymple sit down in his lap. And they will sit down beside him in a parliament and in his lap. A bus bump in the face and them thing that I squeeze nose. And that me see now. That is a wicked act, brother. If you trust a person like you, what would you actually think say me in Jamaica good? And when you come in a power now, you transform. You transform, you don't know name integrity now. When you was opposition leader, you talk about all of them something here. Fixed term. Not no leader not for go more than 2 terms. But yet still, who seek a 3rd term? The same man was say no prime minister, not for lead Jamaica for more than 2 terms. He must seek a 3rd term. You expect me to trust a man like that? Eh? You expect me to trust a man and say, yo, you gotta have a fixed election there. And right now, none of we also can't tell you when the election are gonna call. None of we don't know. And you use them something there to capture people. You use the same basket we have and say, listen, you are going, yo, the people I'm pay too dear for food too dear. And watch it now, 1 cabbage for $3,700.
Yo, caution.
Yo.
Me have to run off again, you know. Drop me to the box. Keep up the good work, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man.
All right.
A trace in him want to come up in a box for you, a trace, you know. In need for a fine film live and a trace with film people. And you see them have problem over for them live. Now come over here, sir. Say if you and Cosmo can reason. Because me not in a chatting today, you know. God know, you know. Me don't want to talk to you, brother.
Yeah, but Kashan, the fact is that the money from the gas tax went into the Consolidated Fund.
Listen, man, don't call to me, man. Call to Cosmo.
I'm not talk to you. Cosmo, the money from the gas tax went into the Consolidated Fund. They pool it with the funds in the Consolidated Funds, and they got more money to fix the road. They found that the money that was going to the road maintenance fund was just not enough.
Then the man have more money to fix the road, and then the person in Jamaica will have a national road disaster. We have a
the engineer. What are
yes.
The engineer.
Yes.
Please don't address me with no stupidity. I'm not stupid. Right?
No. What you talking? No.
The engineer, I don't entertain stupid conversation.
What I'm saying a lie?
What you're saying is stupidity. Stupidness.
Tell me the stupidity.
The man, hold on. You had a road maintenance fund, and the man shut it down. The man take the money where did I go towards the road maintenance fund, and to start the whatever. They never did maintain no road in Jamaica. You cannot maintain road in Jamaica. The engineer.
All right, go on, Tom.
Hold on. You cannot be maintaining the road in Jamaica, right? And the road them stay like how them stay now. Right? It is a long time. You have some road in a Portmore, a long time the road them a breakaway. And nobody no come there come fix them. So don't talk about there was something they just was neglecting that, and it just come now and it just become a big old sore. There's nothing where you can say if you put band-aid over it. It don't make no sense, brother.
All right. So I'm listen to you, my talk, hear my response. See? If you do not put enough money in maintaining something like what was happening at Cornwall Regional, eventually the whole thing will pop down. See, they were trying to maintain Cornwall Regional, but they weren't putting enough money.
I'm glad they talk about Cornwall Regional Hospital. Who that over there, sir?
One day everything popped up. That's what happened with the roads.
Who that over there, sir? Who that over there, sir? And then the contractor that. Another contractor that. For Cornwall
Where you
Regional
talk about?
Hospital, me I look man.
Where you talk about, big man? Where you talk about, big
When
man?
me, you don't know that person, yeah. You don't
No,
know
man,
that person in that Libya.
No, where you talk about? Where you talk about?
Cosmo, tell
Caution?
him who that Cosmo. Cause
You
probably
look
not
at
be
it. No, hold on, Caution. The way they do a while ago, I make the screen big. Him not see it good.
Oh, nah. Yeah.
Yeah, the way you do make him see it.
Yeah, man. Make us see what I
Yeah, so,
Well, Caution.
No, man,
Cosmo,
just
you understand me, I said.
You know
what
who
you
that?
know, what
If you
you're
don't-
saying. Hold on, what you're
You don't
saying.
know
If you
who
don't
that?
put enough money.
No, the engineer.
Well on,
Yeah,
man.
listen,
Listen,
go on,
man.
talk,
The engineer. Well on, man. Who that right there so beside you now?
Beside
Who that
who?
there
What you
beside
talking
you?
about?
What mean
Beside
who? So you
me?
blind all of a sudden now? Yeah.
No, beside me.
your
What I mean
picture.
beside me?
Yeah, look on your
What
screen,
you
brother. Look on your phone screen. You don't know your labor right, friend.
All right, when somebody can understand what Caution I talk about, just tell me.
I mean when somebody can so alright, let me ask Cosmo. Cosmo, you understand what me I say? Let me and Cosmo talk then, since you don't understand. Cosmo.
The man not green vest, the engineer. The man not the green vest with the right side of your picture.
I want name.
I don't know who that is. Who is that?
Yo,
Caution,
let me tell you
talk to
this.
me now. Who is that?
Oh, listen, man. You say you don't know who that. Jesus
Caution,
Christ.
who is that? Who is that person?
The engineer. And Moby come from, though.
Caution, I'm going
The
to answer
engineer
you.
is Chopper.
Who is the person?
No,
It's Chopper. It's Chopper. It's Chopper. It's from Chopper Media.
Go again.
It's Chopper. Chops from Chopper Media. Your JLP
Oh, that's
blogger.
Chop.
Yes.
Oh, that's Chop. I didn't know that's Chop. I've never met Chops.
Oh.
You never seen him on him like yet?
I have never met Chops.
But me never met Chops. But me know him that he never meet him.
His name Christopher.
Well, all right, cool. Me hear you. Me never meet him yet.
His name Caution Christopher.
I don't know.
Yeah, Christopher McCurdy. Go look on it. At him.
Really? Chops related to the McCurdy's?
We know.
Listen, man. Listen, you like to talk about the Cornwall.
No, because the McCurdy name is popular in my bit. Chops related to the McCurdy's? Want to show about that?
PNP. Of course, and them
Okay.
PNP.
Oh,
You don't
all
know
right.
that?
I never did know that. No, I don't know that.
I don't know some family them.
But let me ask, what does that have to do with anything what we are talking about right now?
Right now, I'm sure you what that have to do with anything what go on now.
Yeah, me I listen to you.
You might know, let me tell you what go on now. So this man on the screen now is a contractor for Cornwall Regional Hospital, but he's popularly known as a chef. The magnitude a contract what him get would at least want somebody with a minimum of probably 15 years to construct this kind of magnitude of
totally lost. Cosmo, you understand what Caution I say?
Yeah, man, them understand what me I say. You don't have to understand nothing, man. Them understand.
Just listen, man. Just listen.
Yeah, man. You're not for them man, them not ball. Like you a ball. So watch now. $22 billion spent down there. And this man, yeah.
This on a 22 billion spent. Hey, Caution. You used to be good at getting in.
Listen, man, you alright, 22 billion.
But you wrong on a 22 billion spend. On a 20.
Yeah, alright, 27 billion to spend.
You're wrong and move on. 27 billion spend either.
You want the budget now? Why the budget for
hey, yo, why the budget? Cosmo at least knows.
Yeah, man. Alright, Cosmo, why the budget for Cornwall Regional Hospital?
As far as we see Cornwall Regional Hospital, it down no budget. As far as we see Cornwall Regional Hospital, we don't no budget. Because we have a hospital we are refurbished for 8 years. Refurbished, not built. Refurbished a hospital for 8 years. And you have a hospital where they start build. And when they start building adolescent, around 2 years ago they start building. Year and Adam start building. And then build the adolescent hospital from ground up. And the Cornwall Regional Hospital up on the same level now. A fixture, right? So something is wrong.
You know the moral of the story, right? Greenfield projects are good. No, wait, no, man. But let me tell you, man. Let me tell you, man.
Listen, man. But me never done talk. Listen, man. Cosmo just come to explain something. Me never done talk.
Greenfield projects are easier than rehab projects.
All right. Yeah. Anyway, money are thief.
Greenfield projects are easier and faster than rehab.
Big man, relax.
No, it's not.
Big man.
No, it's not.
Cosmo.
No, big man, don't do this.
Listen, man, brother, and that me a talk about, my time to my
I know more about this than you.
Listen, man, hear me I say no. Well, me know say this man up on the screen have a lot of accountability for do. And I would want the Auditor General to audit this hospital. Immediately this site need to get audit because we want to know where the money are go. We want to know where the money are go for the hospital there. The hospital left to get an audit. This a hospital.
Caution, you know you're weak. You know you're weak, right?
Big man, love me alone, man.
Yo, man, picture, and you just automatically say the.
Listen, yo, the engineer, please, can you just leave me, let me speak when I speak, brother? Leave me, let me speak when I speak. You understand?
A road.
Worry yourself, man. You talk about hospital too. You talk about hospital. I never remember nothing about hospital.
Go on.
So anyway, now, this man have a lot of accountability for the Panda hospital here because you see, from 2000 and Wapiki fill up, we have the hospital bill. And look pan him, you know. The man said, he don't know nothing about the hospital. He don't know contractor down there. He don't know this. He don't know that. So, look, you know, we see Dr. Arton there right there, so. We see Moses, a.k.a. Mark Golden right there, so. You understand? And a couple of other executive people. And look who in the middle. Look who in the middle. Chopper Media. You understand what I say? And the man said, no, nothing was going on at Cornwall Regional Hospital. You see all them people are lie. But anyway, let me tell you the moral of the story. The moral of the story is nobody not supposed to listen to Chopper Media when he talk. Because the government give him this contract, this work. This is Chopper Media pay for the work we do for the government in 2015 to 2016. This is his pay we get from the government. So this man will never speak not the truth all time out because the Ministry of Health give this man a good contract. Also, with MP, what the brother name, the one with them said that allegedly some fishy business. That brother there, him see him one as a matter of fact.
Yeah, he right.
Yeah, she right, Clark. As a matter of fact, them put him on the chairman for St. James School. Nothing wrong with that. Anybody can turn chairman. I'm not really responsible about that. You understand? So, this is what I talk about now. I'm glad to talk about the hospitals. So because you don't make a little point about the road and the consolidated funds. But yes or no, that argument, the kind of...
Wait, slow down, man.
Well, man. Listen, man. The argument about the road...
No, you just said Chops is the chairman for St. James High? That's what you just said?
St. James High School, yeah. You never know that?
No, you're wrong.
That's what the chairman...
You're wrong. McCurdy's son, the lawyer McCurdy. Chops is not the lawyer McCurdy. You're wrong. I know McCurdy.
The engineer.
I know McCurdy. Chops is not the lawyer McCurdy.
A second time this man gonna take it to the box.
Yeah, man, take me off, man. But you're wrong. Taking me off now make you right. You're wrong.
Show you. Man. I gotta show you. Listen, man. I gotta show you. Say you wrong today, I'm gonna take you out of the box after my show.
Yeah, man, show me. Because me know McCurdy. Chops is not McCurdy.
You know what Chopper mean the name?
Big man, we're going to say it again. Chops, the youth who we hear, the youth who we name Chops, that is not McCurdy. That is not the lawyer McCurdy. Big man.
Hold on, the man asked,
hey,
do you know his name? Do you know his real name?
You know his name?
Big man, we know the two of them voice. We know how the two of them talk. That is not McCurdy. That is not the lawyer McCurdy. I'm not being me live. I'm gonna be able to live, big man. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong,
Next
Caution.
question.
Lord of mercy, you're
Yeah,
wrong. And you come in here.
The engineer. Do you know what chopper meter right name is? That's how I'm asking.
Big man, me know the two of them voice. And
I ask about nobody voice. I ask if you know the man name.
Hey, you might as well take me out of box because.
All right then, go on. Cause I can't deal with it. No, man, I can't deal with it no more, brother. I can't deal with it no more. Trust me.
Well,
Trust me. The man literally. The man literally like I tell you.
The man that on cliff use. The man that on cliff use, right? And the man that hide it.
No, but him gonna say me wrong. Say
It's Christopher McCurdy.
Christopher McCurdy is chopper media.
The man real name.
And the man is a
so the man that tell the prince him there about the principal for go.
Well, and man, I try to say I can find one picture. I not see no picture with him. I must show him name. I not see no picture. I want to see one picture. But I'm not showing a picture with chopper media.
Caution. I demand that something because the man that pan cliff use all the while.
No, but me know that. Well, I'm saying I can something there. Look for the audio. Then
drive one cliff use sitting there.
Right,
with interview with
cliff use interview with
Christopher McCurdy, chairman for something there.
Yeah, Christopher. I can't believe say him no know that. Where this man come from? I'm just a pan. You're wrong. Yeah, the man wrong and strong to no, this is not. You know, see Christopher one. Wait there.
He must depend cliff use that program, man, because him always depend it. Because even the idea when the principal him and the one will come out attack and the whole incident. When the principal must have lock out some student.
St. James High School, well on there. Come here ask you know the man name, you know Chopper me the right name? You don't know Chopper me the right name. But me not see the thing that pan this. Me not see nothing about the St. James. Me not see it.
For nationwide interview?
You just say, I not see it, brethren. I not see it. No, they might not put up that interview there. You understand? If somebody see it, just send it to my phone. But anyway, this man on the screen now, well I know, I go do my little. Alright now, so alright, Christopher McCurdy. Alright, see it now. Right so. And I go up on him Lincoln now. Alright. Christopher McCurdy. Jamaica. Alright, let me see if him Lincoln. See it now. Well on there. X. Alright now. Well on there now. See? I'm telling you now. I wanna play with people over here, so you know. No, I won't ramp with you know. The man say I no Chopper media. So well on there now. Where the information then now. Alright, so first we are gonna put up him link. See Christopher McCurdy here. This is Christopher McCurdy. Who this look like? This is called Chopper Media. Senior culinary leader, executive, chef. The same chef will get the contract for Cornwall Regional Hospital. Well, I don't know. We're going right as I know. On an article, investigation into allegation. Well, I see him name down as again. Christopher McCurdy, chairman of the board, acknowledge additional whatsoever updating on the progress at the school. Really and truly, the engineer you need to know the people who you support, brother. You need to know the people who you support. I can't believe, brother. I'm put up back the great contractor, Christopher McCurdy. Yeah, man. I'm put up back Christopher McCurdy. Can't believe the man knows say him and the chairman for St. James High School. Good God. All along with the other things say informative. Good God have mercy, man.
They don't like you.
Good God have grace. You mean to tell me you don't know that? And you live in Moby and you don't know that? No, sir.
I wonder what else him don't know. No, but all right. Well, I know. Well, back to the roads program about talk, right? The man I say there wasn't enough money in it.
No, but that statement that can't make sense because if you put the whole of the money in the consolidated funds, right? And I'm gonna say you have more money. So what else does the consolidated funds do? The consolidated funds is not only for fixed road. It comprises of salaries, maintenance of school, maintenance of this, maintenance of that, for them pay, travel allowance, all kind of something. So it's not a road alone. So we know how much money him use out of the consolidated fund. If him use no money out of the consolidated fund for fixing the road. And furthermore, if him did have fix the road and I maintain the road would have not be
exactly,
in this
caution. You can't maintain something and it deplete the way it is.
Well, Mr. Intellectual, what go on? You come back with the homework, you know, today me and pray and I say, you know, so I send a brother. If you go do him homework what day, I wonder if him forward back, I not see him back again from that, you know. Where I say forward back, you know, intellectual. I was send him go do one homework, you know. Jeez, the man wrong and strong to blow out. The man say, you're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Yeah, and right now, watch you now. Eh? The man don't know him own. The man don't know him own. I see him over chopper live, you know. The boy know who a chopper. Him know. I play like him don't know. Him know who a chopper. And him know say him have the contract for down there. But when him see that picture here now, him frightened now. I say, wait, caution, you turn private investigation. And me work with more car and see it tack. That me I tell you. Oh, anything when me no know, me no want to know. Anything when me no know, and me no want to know. Yeah, man. Think me only get that picture here. And this is my evidence in a court. I'm going to say, Your Honor, look at this man right here, sir. Tell me the truth what God love. Eh? Any laborer can walk on the opposition leader, sir, with Dr. Anton and be executive. Eh? Firearm pan hip, iPhone in a hand, clocks pan foot. The man they have a hard boot, you know. A clocks, the man have a pan foot, you know. I saw the big man them pan the side roll, you know. Clocks pan foot, you know. And the man helmet, a different color, a white. Nobody pan the side don't have a white helmet. Can you know contractor love white, you know, because they want to see different from everybody else. So when them see all of the yellow helmet and the blue helmet and the this and the that, feel them low on helmet, and if you ever come on the side with a white helmet, them hurry up and fire you. Them hurry up and fire you. Because they were load for have white helmet. Look on the man bib. Look on the man reflector vest. When have on. Them the vest cost over $10,000, you know. Listen, I say any other man to get the contract. That's where my virgin said, when name crazy. The man to get the contract for build the kitchen, who would feel no way because he's a chef. So would I understand. But the man yo, can't believe top shotters are back in full effect. Spread the word.
Yeah, problem, you know.
Spread the word. Top shotters is back in full effect. No, but Cosmo, in a real life, you know, me see the man them go so boom and I try infiltrate my life, you know. The man them send Bass King, the man them send one youth named Andrea, them send the engineer. Who else them send? Them send one next one named Factual. Yo, me say the man them just a flood over my life, you know. But here what the thing, you know. More than like to give them the chance to speak, you know. But here what the problem with me have with them, you know, when them a speak, them speak political. Because remember, me in there so for try to tell a man to vote for PNP. But the thing is that when we attack, people will listen and say, well then, yo, you know, say we caution say make sense and they must show with evidence and rate it. I feel that PNP are the better party. That is the thing, you know. But who me and them attack, me not try to convince them to vote for PNP, you know. We both know the objective. So me know say me put out the wagwan and you put out, well, them put out what them think are going. And if me can put up my information and people can read it and say, wait, but caution right, man, see the right there, so them are gonna believe me. Them no want that. You notice where them always come over here to come though, say me wrong. In everything, especially the engineer.
But
when me right,
caution.
he still try to say me wrong because they like him want to discredit me. To say, well, me is not a person where I talk truth. And them know me I talk the truth. As a matter of fact, me not only talk it, me I show it.
Let's run off a couple of files. Prime time. Remember him.
Yo, say, common sense pass through, you know. Yo, the man them fix common sense on the live. Common sense I want to see about the live, you know. I remember, you know.
But more than one time common sense get fixed on the live. Right.
Nobody disrespect him. You know?
Remember say prime time get fixed on the live, you know. Remember say open don't get fixed on the live, you know. Right? Jalix.
Yo,
strength.
Cause you know which one of them I love. But you not tell me which one of them I love. Vegas. Remember when Vegas come over here? I come and another you did over here.
Yo.
The thing. Yeah. Yo. Right. Me tell you, say the wickedest fix up going on the live, brother.
Nah, man. Yo, Vegas. Yo, the wickedest fix up is up there. The wickedest fix up when you go and Lee Chopper. Yo, you're wicked, you know. You lead the man to a dark alley.
Why may I tell a star? Why? Rough,
you lead the man to a dark alley to blows and skirt, and the man just listen to you go down the alley, or you turn on the light for them or something now. Vegas run come in like him.
Vegas running for the live with him pam and a chair. Go!
Vegas running, I said, yo, caution, we talk physics, you don't talk physics. We talk physics.
Yeah.
We turn to say, Vegas, a civics if you say and not physics.
Yo, no, but I yo, the all labor rights slayer them.
You say Vegas drop one thing, man. I show about Mark Wallet. I would say Vegas. I forgot the word in our class when we read. I said Vegas. What I word they mean? Vegas phone ring. Them say come on.
Man, the all labor rights slayer them, man.
You know, say them do have one program, right? And them do over there. As we go on for the program, Vegas jump off.
Them not gonna stay, man. Yo, when the man see the labor rights slayer team roll through, you know. Alright, let's open this discussion. Him not gonna stay now with the labor rights slayer.
No, remember say me clear tomorrow, then he come back, they come tell lie for me, you know.
Yeah, man.
He come back.
And yesterday, I think yesterday I met my boy. Him say him come back and say him batch the dead, you know.
Oh.
Come in the last part me here while going, you know, I see life kind of chip out, you know. Where the brother name Andre or something like so.
Yo, the thing with them is that their argument is so easily debunked, right? Because even you go talk about the man take the maintenance fund and put it in a consolidated fund, which the maintenance fund it come from out of the consolidated fund. The maintenance fund was a part of the money that a portion of the money that they received from registration. When you register your car, a portion of that money was to go into the registration, the maintenance fund, and the tax, and a portion, a percentage of a tax for the gas, right? Now, Andrew owns this company, something and attack on a whole bag of rubbish and a tell a bag of lie about PNP. Edge use the money and edge. They use the money and edge the aisle. Lie that the money that the $15 that they put on the aisle in Peter Phillips' time to edge the gas, that the money now come from the Consolidated fund. That money was a new taxation that they put on the gas, right? That they edge the aisle so that the aisle stay at one price. So we were buying aisle for every week when I go to the market at one price, single price where I pay feed. Whether I go up, whether I go down, at one price where I pay. So it put a level of stability in the market, right? This government came in and then cancel all of that. They cancel the Consolidated the road maintenance program and say them will do it out of them own just do it. So they have not been maintaining the road. That's the reason. If you didn't maintain the road them won't be in such a deplorable condition, right? So the question you ask him is a very valuable question. If a man put $10 for maintain something and a man put none, which one is the better? Yes, the man who put the $10 is better than the one who put none. But at the same time, the next question that I want to ask him is which one are going to bring a more deplorable condition? The man where you spend $10 a year for maintain something, or the man where not spend none at all for maintain something?
You mean $10 in a 10 year?
No. Caution asks a question. We don't got something. The man where one man I put I use $10 every year for maintain something.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And next man now spend none at all for maintain something. Right? Mm-hmm. Caution asks him which one is better. Instead the man will put the $10. Now the question that I was gonna ask him is which one is gonna give you a more deplorable condition? The one where I spend $10 a year for maintain, or the one where I spend none at all for maintain? It must be when I spend none at all for maintain. Eventually, what? Caution.
Cosmo, 1 second before you go to caution. Look into this. He must say they must spend more money. If they must spend more money, why them a patch instead of resurface?
Brother.
Yeah,
they are spending.
Let the labor right respond now. You say if somebody spend $10, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the next person spends $0, and you say which one will that contribute better?
Mm-hmm.
But if it costs $1 billion for fixed,
no.
Wait a minute, let me finish my point.
No. That's not the question. Answer the question for what the question is.
Yeah, but it relative.
Right? Nobody never put an overall price. Hold on. Nobody.
All right, if you put $10 to $1 million.
Stop.
Would it make a difference?
Stop. Nobody never put nobody. We just say
NWA put a figure to it.
Brother, we just asked a question. It was just a simple question.
Yeah,
there was no overall figures. There was no final figures. Right? It's just a simple thing. It's because what you're spending $10 to fix could cost $50.
Exactly. So $10 cannot fix no road. So if you put $10 to a road, it couldn't fix it, right? In
Brother,
that context.
That's not what the question. That's not the question.
Yeah.
The question is, hold on, brother, and you're going to answer the question. If you jump off the answer, you're going to answer the question, and you're going to answer the question the way the question asks.
Okay, all right.
Right? If somebody put $10 in maintaining something, and somebody put none at all, which one of them is a better manager?
That's why I was saying, probably none of them are. Probably one.
Brother. Stop. No need no more conversation from me. Stop.
Good
night. Stop. No, keep your conversation to yourself. Yes, brother. What did I say?
What go and do it? I know I go on. There you know about the fire. From morning, me what that thing where you draw up, but let the boy kill them dead.
What that? The something post?
Yeah.
You wanna like it and share it out them and make them share it, man.
They do it from morning,
make them sister Porsche. Actually, they don't maintain and fix the road them in Jamaica. Them too damn lie. As a matter of fact, you know say when him just talk about money, him compare money, you know. But I got drawback from the same cabbage, you know. In a 2015, a $20 for a pound of cabbage, you know. In a 2024, you know. At $3,700 for a cabbage, you know. So in a 2015, probably it couldn't cost you one $10 to fix the road them. But in a 2024, it might cost us $1 billion. Because the money just different. And that's a simple math, brother. So even though you might have come with the fact, with the argument for say, well then, yo, we to put more money in at fixing the road. But how much road we can fix with the money where we put in compared to when time Porsche put in fair money, how much road she fix? And the information is there. Me have the information.
But
have no information on the party.
Caution. Me and your motor, me and your driver. I'm gonna know who is on the program and driver, but we are gonna take it from me and your driver. Right? Caution, if you have your car and you don't a month time, it might cost you you need 4/4 aisle. Right? A aisle 4/4 aisle at $1,000. Mute your mic there. 4/4 aisle at $1,000 for one, that's $4,000. Right? An aisle filter $300. Right? An ear filter another $300. Right? So you need
just do we general, like you said, $10,000.
So you say $5,000 every 2 months to service your car, right? If you spend that $5,000 every 2 months to service your car, right? You guarantee say your engine gonna last you 10 years.
Yeah,
right?
Longer,
because your regular service the aisle is more thicker, it will manage hard. So watch this now. Yeah. You don't spend that $5,000 every 2 months, right? And you got 2 years with that same aisle in your car. What gonna happen?
Cost your engine.
It cost your engine. So the engine
spend more money.
More money to buy a friggin' engine.
Yeah. When you
always sense in the argument that I would bring.
When you maintain your car, you have your engine longer than when me now maintain my car, because you have to spend less than me, because when you maintain the car, you know, you can have your engine for 10 years, you know, and that wouldn't cost you. If you calculate it, it'll cost you way less. But me just buy my car and don't maintain my engine every 2 years, it'll cost me an engine. So for the 5 years, for the 10 years, I buy all 5 engine. Which for the year,
for the 10 years, for the 10 years, me not have the same engine.
Yeah, because every 6 months you service a car. So $10,000, $15,000 for service a car for every 6 months, right? Some people might go 3, but if you now operate a vehicle like a taxi, 6 months, 2 times for the year, that's a $30,000. 30 times 10. You understand? But me for buy an engine for $100,000 every 2 years. Me I spend go way up in my $400,000-$500,000 when for the whole 10 years so you a service your car, you spend less than $300,000.
Exactly.
But caution, the budget where the government present a year time to the amount of money, the government don't have the money. So when should we wait till they get all the money to start the budget?
But me I say, if them have the money, right?
No, me just tell me asking no say you have to start because you have a little money, so you couldn't start on the road car. And I like say you have to buy all material one time. You start with the money and start patch where you can start from.
So the simple thing, let me tell you something, man. The simple thing as we use the analogy with the car, you know, when you maintain, that's why factories have maintenance in it. Definitely. I used to work at Caribbean boilers, and they have a maintenance crew that they go around and oil up this and lubricant, put lubricant where lubricant for go and check where for check and do where them for do. Right? Why? Because when you maintain a thing, you spend less money than for just have a thing a run so till it broke down. A idiot run business, so.
You see, Boss King when one name, him not understand. And
listen, man, listen, do white. Boss King and even the engineer, them well understand.
They're just politics. They're just a cover for them party.
No,
that's what they're here for.
We just say both of them, right? According to the NWA, just didn't provide enough money. So even if you put even this argument about $0 or $10, if you're gonna put $0, into something that costs $1 million. If we put $10 towards it and you put $0, the $10 and the $0 come like the same.
The $10.
Both of them, right?
You're stuck
No,
in
we're
at
the same.
$10.
Both of them didn't put enough.
Listen, man. Listen. Basking, man. That no make no sense what you are going to say. It cannot be the same. Because one a put and one not put. You understand what I say? If you have your house and you want to put money towards the food for go buy, you got have food in your cupboard? Eh? When you open your cupboard, food are going in there?
No, but if the cheapest food costs
Exactly.
$15 and you only put $10 towards it, you
man.
put food in
And
there.
next, listen, man. And next person have them house and them put money to go buy food. When them open them cupboard, don't them go see food.
Well, if you call biscuit food or food.
Something there for you eat. Jesus Christ, the blood, nah.
Something there for you eat. So you better like...
All right, where's the bro got a lie when him said them were putting money into it?
So hold on. So they said that they were putting money in road maintenance.
Yeah, they
in a Europe era. Which part of Jamaica you live? May I ask you first of all? Which part of Jamaica you live?
I live at Jamaica.
You only live at Jamaica?
Basking, you live at Jamaica.
Basking, you live at Jamaica?
No, Dan, me not tell you, man.
Yeah, we travel. You live at Jamaica, man.
May I ask if you live at Jamaica? I'm not saying we travel. You live at Jamaica?
Man, I live at Jamaica, the engineer, man. Man live in America. For long, from in the 90s.
No, that's 5 years now.
Yo, come on, Fire Live.
Oh, 5 years.
Yeah.
Come on, Fire Live.
I want one carry on now. You have a sarcasm.
No, man, come on, Fire Live, man. Come, yo, you're the disingenuous bad, you know, my youth.
That's my only for foreign people we have a reason, man.
No, but hold on, but caution. What about me? No? You got to tell we about road where we there Jamaica drive. They better talk to caution pan live. I text caution. Be careful where you're there. Me not tell you which part all I patrol them there, which part you're there, brother.
Yeah, but you know the patrol them.
So that must be the only reason I'm gonna tell you because I drive there and see them every day.
Hey, well, I don't cause I remember the night when DJ still left on the live and we hear them when I drive. Yeah.
And the man dropping at the blouse and skirt, all I hear the whole I car shake up. I mean, I look at him, when me tell him, same car one part.
Brother, I come like the man driving around Ratted, rocky.
Like around Riverbed, the man driving around.
No smooth road, no there with the man there, no?
You hear everything. You hear all the key shake on the key ring.
Some patrol up on the road and kill a patrol them. Killer them.
So you cannot, let me understand, my brother. You can't argue with we will live at Jamaica where I drive. Me and Caution drive at Jamaica. Other man on the platform will drive.
Cosmo, Baskin not really argue if you make a point, brother. The man does not disagree with everything we say.
No, I'm not disagree. Nobody disagree with nobody.
Disagree. It's just like how the engineer can say, yo, the man will spend $10, I do more. But you realize the Baskin do? He not agree with that. He just find something else to say. The man doesn't argue for argument.
No, this argument been going on. We just want a solution. We are say.
Well, wait, no. You know, so me just as me go up on Instagram. Listen here.
I want to go on in our nation. One day I'm dropping a patrol, it change my radio station. Me feel pray my front end part them station. Cause like the patrol them flying for vacation. Me feel wonder if people buy land in a road to build house and a big foundation. I feel pay for fitness on the road, not fit water situation. Patrol them a go like me with them obligation. I'm tired of them just a bus like World War II when Japan job me a bomb. As a Jamaican driver, you have to build a map in your head called patrol navigation. Or else your entire warehouse are going on some deep negotiation. I want to go on domination.
No. Yo. I want scroll me take, like Instagram and say, well, we have something for your Caution. It's a poem the man bill out for the patrol, brother.
Baskin, you have to come better, no?
No, I'm not saying that. Yeah, me I say the plan is NWA want $1 trillion to fix all the roads, so nobody can complain. Who has the plan? Who has the plan?
Baskin, may I ask that question? Do you know that 2008 we calculate the 2008 the then government, JLP government, run by the lead by Mike Henry, calculate and say that we need $400 million to fix all the road in Jamaica, right? And they borrowed the $402 million they borrow. They get a loan from China for $402 million. You remember about that?
No.
You don't know about that?
No.
And they put $15 per gas. $15 tax then put per gas from 2008 to pay back that loan. You don't remember nothing about that? You don't know about that?
No, I can't. Remember, me tell you something.
You know, so up to this day, we're still paying that $15
right
per
now,
gas.
Yeah, but right now we have a problem. Would you agree? We have bad roads.
So hold on. So hold on, man. Wait, hold on. So if 2008, you did calculate that the country need $400 million to fix 400 million US. Let me get it straight. 400 million US, right?
Oh, US.
To fix all the major road in Jamaica, right? And you get that money for borrow. How comes now that PNP last administration was 9 years ago? How comes now that PNP the problem with the road is rest and the previous the PNP administration?
Okay, all right.
When
Put it on PT and put it on
2008, hold on, when 2008 you borrowed $402 million US from China to fix the road, and you put $15 tax per gas to pay back that money, right? And up to this day, today, when 2016, when this government come into power, you have twice the amount of care that you have per road now than you have for that 2016. That means that they are collecting twice the amount of money that the previous government was collecting per the tax. But yet still we have so much more worse road. Right? As Donald Trump said, the petroleum are more bigly than before.
So we gotta fix it, right? No matter what.
We have to fix it.
Yeah, somebody have to fix it. So you got either be Brogard or your
and Mark Golding is gonna fix it. Because Brogard not fix Brogard fix it.
All right,
so Basking, you say you have property, I mean you talk about tenants. And if you give somebody the contract to maintain your property and you realize it's a rundown, you gotta employ them back or you gotta extend them contract?
It depends. If we go out there and look and them are the best, we have to keep the best.
And if we go back again, I'm gonna maintain it again. I gotta continue to keep me and pay me if we don't maintain it.
No, exactly. No, me have to go overseas and go get one of them Hispanic guys to come in.
Yes, I gotta change. I gotta change the person, right?
Oh, okay.
So a two-term now and nothing now maintain. We feel we can change him now, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man, we feel we can change him now.
Oh, so we just go blind. We gotta go blind and change him.
Yeah, man, we gotta go blind and change him. Just like how you go Spanish, you don't know nobody over there, but you gone over there, though.
Just like how you get one foreign, one white man come do it. So I get one white man.
The Spanish never white. The Spanish never. This Spanish.
Well, anything we want call the Spanish there.
Yeah, so you get one white man. You get one white man. So PNP get one white man.
That's how we reach. I mean, that's how we reach.
Yeah, man, that's how we reach, man. That's how we reach.
No, we are so just admit where we reach. So we
that's where we reach. Anyway, I found an argument where you was found, you know.
Exactly.
The black man. This the black man now maintain the road then.
Okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Honesty is good for the soul, you know.
Yeah, man. The black man now maintain.
Alright. So the switch, man.
Yeah, man, we switch.
Yeah, man, we're done with the man.
On the switch, on the switch from mediator.
May I have a question?
Yeah, clearance. Hold on, him there for a long time. Clearance. I hope you come with some good clearance now.
So, may I say, Clarence, say
Clarence.
your information. But may I say, we get rid of public works, because public works used to maintain the road them. So public works not exist no more.
No.
And that's not the problem there, man.
No, man, cash.
You
Cash.
know
That's not the problem.
You know who get rid of public works?
No.
JLP. Tiaga, I true thing me talking now.
For real?
Yeah, man, I ain't get rid of it, man. Tiaga get rid of public works.
Because remember when me a boy, public works used to drive around with a blue truck with tar in the back, the asphalt, and patch the pothole them.
Yeah, man, I see I get rid of it, man.
And in those days, we had less car on the road now. You probably have 5% of car that were on the road now. They on the road them time there.
We used to have good roads still.
Yeah, but the thing is, we can't go back in the past. The past can't.
No, but we need to learn from the past. We learn from the past.
Exactly, you learn from it, but you can't use the past.
I want to, Kasha, live right there. You said the time you there with sitting about you can't go back in the past, but here happen. I bet you before the brother come out fight, right? I bet you can go back in the past.
No, you can't go in the past. But say you can't go use a pass as a guide. You can't use it because
you say a while ago you say you cannot go back in the past.
For the solution.
A while ago you say you cannot go back in the past. When the
for
man
the solution. For the solution.
You never use for the solution.
You know what the what?
Hold on, may I show you something? The way you talks about you cannot go in the, if you have a problem now, right?
We can't go back.
You can go in the past and get the solution for the problem now.
Yeah.
No, I can't go to guide you.
No. Because if you want the problem, if you want to solve the problem of something, you always have to go back to where the problem starts.
Yeah, for a guide.
So once you go there and you trace back and see where the problem start, then you formulate the solution.
But you're not going to use the past.
But it's
contradicting stuff.
But you go back in the past, find the solution.
No, but you don't go back to the past and say, hey, if I was this, because it's impossible. So you use it as a guide.
So why you have archaeologists?
So we are saying now, come on, man, wake up, man, and we only have two people. Election here. Is either Brogan or when you switch and come over to the leader. What do you call the leader now?
Moses.
Eh? Moses?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because fear is stronger way, so we need our Moses to let my people go.
Yeah, correct. That is easy, you know.
Yes, because fear is stronger way.
All right,
so did I reach the God?
Dappers, I can make a couple of comments. In King?
Yeah,
gentlemen.
Man.
All right.
Yes, man. Go ahead, man.
Yeah, man. But let's list some stuff. Number one, NWA was formed by the PNP, not the GLP. All right. So the switch to move from public works to what they have now, where they use NWA, that happened under the PNP. All right. Not only was more money spent on maintaining roads, but also more roads were built and maintained under the GLP than under the PNP. So you guys are wrong. All right, this whole thing that you are saying about the maintenance.
Which road bill under GLP? Which road the GLP bill?
Oh my God! Don't go there.
Which road the GLP bill? Which road?
Make him talk.
Yes, man. No, man. No. You cannot just say something.
So. But I'm not gonna get to that. Make him point. Come on, man.
No, man. No.
So wait. All of the expansion on Mandela and all of what happened at 3 miles. That is what. Yeah, that is what.
Whose signature is on those? Whose signature is on those deals?
I don't understand what you said. We asked who constructed the big man. I don't know what you. I don't understand anything.
Signature upon the deal. Who signed the deal? Who signed the deal? signed the deal for the expansion of Marcus Garvey, the expansion of 3 Mile, the expansion of Agri Park Road, the expansion of Constance Park Road, the expansion of
Cosmo, I saw Mr. before.
PNP, all of that.
No, Cosmo, I saw me tell you already. More roads were built
and I asked you which road
under the GLP. While the GLP was in government than while the PNP was in government.
Which road?
Okay, I name them already.
Me get what you are saying. But Portia did put all of that in a motion before she left.
All of those things.
Let's move on.
We'll move on. All right. Second, I'm going to explain the whole situation about roads again. A road is something.
Well, and I want to ask you one question. Who built the long road from Portland go? Who you around to the great point there? Who built the road there? Who built the road there?
All of this road thing, Portia did put all of that in a motion.
Alright, whoever built it, that's
yeah, but that's it. Well on, man. The longest road we recorded, we built in a Jamaica, PJ built that. The longest stretch of road from Portland was straight down to Westmoreland, 7 parish that chap through. No government never do that.
What?
I mean what?
No, never do that. No, I mean that's good if he did that. But we'll move on.
Of course, from Portland. Check
when was that built?
Like on the North Coast.
Caution. If you want to play that game.
Hello. Yeah, we want to play that game there.
Yeah, but if you want to do that, we can go back in history. But I know that we are talking about now.
Listen, man. That me I talk about. You name a road now where JLP built, where you can identify right now.
Think me list several already.
No, we don't name none.
Okay. Next point. Thank you very much. We're going to say again, a road is something that has a life. You can maintain a road for so.
Listen, man, nobody next point, no. We almost agree that PJ Patterson.
But why you don't like learn it? No,
listen, man,
you don't like to learn.
No, you can't.
You don't like to learn.
Listen, man. Me not like learn, you don't want to learn. The crowd not like learn. But me I teach people them come alive say, listen, PJ Patterson built the longest stretch of road ever recorded in Jamaica. From Portland was straight to Westmoreland. And the road they built constantly. It is like a start, connect. Now it be a nice in a disturbed conversation, brother man. Mute might not mind in a be a nice. One straight length of road can any Jamaica Labour Party outline if not road where we build throughout 2 parish where them build 2 parish.
Okay, I'm gonna repeat again.
We go through 2 parish.
So just to check. So the South Coast expansion road construction that was built under who? The expansion from Maypen, the expansion from Maypen to Williamsfield, that was built by who?
NROC.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Let's move on. Let's move on. Under the jail. Okay, moving on.
Hold on. Me say through 2 parish. Me not say to start from Clarendon and you know what?
There are 2 parish.
You know what true mean? No, it's that in 2 parish.
No, big man.
Hey. When it's a true 2 parish, that means that it starts from the top part of Clarendon and go to the end part of Manchester. That is true 2 parish. It has to go to the end part. You say you got through 2 parish. That not go through 2 parish. That is in between 2 parish.
But caution. Williamsfield. Hold on. Can I give out information? Let's give out the information correctly. The Williamsfield leg that was built, that was to build, that is a part of the agreement were left by PJ. I would have said the nice neighbor. The leg of the road were built from Williamsfield. Forgot to we build there. That is a part of the Highway 2000 project. So it's a bill. NRAC can do them there, something there. Same thing with the Montego Bay leg and road where them are build. It's NRAC program, a project. NRAC is part of the infrastructure where PNP left back, right? Then they have a bunch of program where they have to carry out. They have a bunch of program where
Cosmo, you know something I answer you. Because you are saying any road expansion that was done to Highway 2000 or the east-west corridor of Highway 2000 or the north-south corridor, you are saying you go attribute that to PNP. That is just dumb logic.
Because it is on the book.
No. But you can hold it. No, but may I hear that? You can hold that opinion. Nobody else believes it. But hold on to that. No, can I move on to something else? Because I want to make another point.
Hold on. Before you go any further, may I ask you a question? You ever go downtown at the UDC building and look on the highway project at Jamaica?
Good evening.
That more I ask you.
Can I ask?
Hold on there, brother. May I ask you ever go downtown at UDC building and go look on the highway layout at Jamaica?
Big man, what does that have to do with what we are talking about?
I ask you a question.
No. We're asking who built the road. Anybody can conceptualize something. Who built it? Who found the financing?
No, we never do that. All right, make him go on, dear.
All right. So
I'm not getting that with him. It's that stupid talk.
Brother.
That's like saying if JLP use NHT to build some houses, him go say a PNP build a house. It's stupid.
Brother, the engineer, when it come on to the highway, right?
Yeah, PJ did that. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. We want to find a solution now.
So I give Andrew Hollis credit.
Who tell her that? Wait. Who tell her that it has to be done? Who tell her that? They have an agreement with them signed. That is a lie. That is not true. That is a lie. It doesn't have to be done.
The engineer.
Don't go in there so with him. Beg your question outside.
Oh, that Jamaics.
Please answer.
Go on, Jamaics.
First thing I want to say to the engineer, I remember you came on a live and talk about Marcus Garvey being a criminal. How do you feel about the posthumous pardon?
You can't just come change the argument. I'm going
big man, big man. Jamaics. There's something else me to talk about.
Answer that question.
No. Jamaics. I'm not going to talk about Garvey.
Yeah,
come here to talk about something else. You can, if you want to talk about it, you can.
That was the first question, just to highlight to you. Just to highlight to Jamaica that
we can't switch up the argument.
No. Hold on.
And no one going to tell you. Hold on. I'm going to come to the relevant thing now. With $1.34 trillion collected in tax revenue, right? In 2024. Why is it after 9 years?
They didn't collect $1.3 million in tax.
Hold on, man. 1.3.
They did not collect $1.3 million in tax. It's foolish to say a talk.
The engineer, what was the budget? Hold on. The engineer, hold on the Jamaics. Hold on. The engineer, what was the budget for last year?
1.3 million.
Trillion. 1.3
trillion.
Yes. Trillion.
One
yes.
point too much?
And all of it was not paid for by tax dollars.
The engineer.
Let me finish asking the question.
Hold on.
Answer your big man. $1.3 trillion.
All right. And don't this approach the government don't borrow no money?
Please, man. Let me finish.
Hey, yo, big man. I'm gonna find something to talk about. I'm gonna stick on that. You know, they're all over the place.
Yes.
Hold on, all labor rights slayers. Hold on. I'm gonna watch slay the labor rights. Easy.
But me laugh so the man them so weak. The man them can't talk on one argument. Because we let them win. Them have to change the argument.
No, I'm not changing no argument. You need to stop talking.
Wait. That person, Radax. Hold on, let me hear the brother yourself.
PNP man them weak.
Let me finish your message.
Radax.
One second.
Go on. Hold on, man. I want Radax up a long time. Radax,
I listen, man.
I'm just a listen. All right. Clarence, you said something already, right?
Alright, so we can go back in on my point now.
Alright.
We can go back in on my point, gentlemen.
Listen, one at a time. One at a time.
Yeah, man.
Listen, one at a time. One at a time. Come here, listen, I'm more to learn to me research and bother move fast. That's why I would have to stay one place. So one at a time. That's how I can say. That's one at a time. Please.
Right. Go back to the road.
Let me finish my point on the roads.
Yeah, my argument now. Stop talking. You talk too much. That's why you probably don't learn. With 1.3 million that been collected. Hold on, no, man. In 2024.
Jamaica. Nobody not disrespect nobody right here.
Jamaica,
you know, it's everybody at talk. Nobody not disrespect. No, you're being disrespectful. You're being.
Yeah, please, man. You're talking.
No, you're being disrespectful, big man.
All right, D, make him talk. Right,
nobody not style nobody right here, so just ease yourself. You can come on and make your point.
That you're speaking too
much.
Man,
just make your point.
No, Jamaica, so do that one.
Just make your point. Just make your point.
Yes, sometimes you need to stop and listen because you don't know nothing about your history. And now me talk about what is present. What happened in 2024, right? $1.3 trillion the budget was, right? And after 9 years' time, the Prime Minister is now declaring that the roads is a national emergency, right? In 2017, he repealed the Road Maintenance Act, still collecting money. And where's that money going? That one.
Consolidated fund. The consolidated fund. That's where it goes to.
Hold on. I'm not finished, man. I tell you, you talk too much.
You say you ask a question, I'm answer. It goes to the consolidated fund.
Jeez. Labor rights players, them OT, man.
Man, me I tell you, you need for you're just jumping.
Big man, I can't answer any question you have. You're not thinking the most about $1.3 trillion of tax collect. You come here with your bad information and I lick it down.
What bad information? Tell me.
But Jay, I kind of make the program boring still. I don't like them talking. Caution, take over the program and beat the labor right, man, and make we fight back.
Yo, more on some better stuff than Jamaica's weak.
Tell me.
Caution, come back on the program, man. Where you run, gone? And Cosmo, where you at?
Hold on. In 2022, the Prime Minister did not sign the Ethics Code of Conduct, right? And then you're going to talk about how Jamaica is and governance in Jamaica.
Governance, where you're an opposition leader that just ignore his integrity commission and pick a man that the integrity commission in a theme party, the integrity committee in a theme party said was not fit to run. And him put up the man for run. You talk about governance.
Hold on. Stop. That is an internal something. That is an internal decision, the engineer.
Governance is governance. The reason the PNP had a press conference several years ago, and they told Jamaica that they're going.
The engineer, did the Prime Minister sign the Ethics Code of Conduct, and this is not.
Well on, the engineer. So, Rainfall. Oh, Rainfall something going on.
Well, you ask me about that Rainfall.
Kim Brown,
I answer you.
What I mean,
no, more ask Kim Brown. Tell me about that Rainfall.
No, you don't know about that Rainfall.
What's the question? What's the question about that Rainfall?
So, on the integrity commission in the JLP.
JLP don't have an integrity commission in committees in the party.
The ethics code of conduct in 2000. That's the problem. That they didn't sign it.
So the PNP came, had a press conference and introduced this integrity commission committee to Jamaica and said they will not put up a candidate that don't pass this
One at a time. The person asks a good question in the comment. What was Lawrence charged for?
Who?
What was Lawrence charged for?
Who is Lawrence? Bro.
I mean, so
I don't know. No. I don't sit on the PNP's internal integrity commission. They evaluated the man, they said the man was not fit to run.
No, listen, man. The thing is, right?
They said he was not fit to run.
Listen, man. Listen. Some I am gonna ask you this, in the fit to run. Them say in the fit to run. I'm gonna ask you, is that rim for fit to run?
The people are constituents.
Listen, I ask about the people. I ask you, is that rim for fit to run?
Of course she's fit to run under the laws of the country.
The engineer, you're talking a lot of nothing, yeah? National expenditure budget totaling 1.3
Jamaica, make a point, Jamaica. We well want to make a
Jamaica,
make a point and stop boring the conversation.
Listen. Make the
conversation boring.
Right
Man,
now,
listen,
I bet you get rid of the engineering of caution, because this man is going to come here so for the really program. I bet you get rid of him. A long time I depend on you for even listen, bad man. I'm tired of this man, bad man.
the engineer be a foolishness in talk, man.
Get the man out there.
You don't need to leave the engineer, make him point. Nobody does say nothing. Make him point. And then we talk.
Mike, make your point fast now. Just do that. Mute the mic, the engineer. Let me hear what you say.
Yes. So I'm asking with the engineer, national expenditure budget totaling $1.3 trillion, and 9 years after the Prime Minister coming out and said that the roads are a national emergency. How does that make sense? Why did they repeal the Road Maintenance Act in 2017? And the last question, did the Prime Minister sign the Ethics Code of Conduct that was presented to him in 2022, which is not a local ethics of conduct, it's an international ethics code of conduct? Then how can he speak about good governance from this Prime Minister or this government? That is it.
So let me answer your question. Number one, we had something called a hurricane last year. Also, unless you have been living under a rock, the number of vehicles on the Jamaican road has significantly increased. I think it has increased by almost 2 times since 2015. And also, we are experiencing a situation where there's more rainfall, more urbanization, more water on the road, more damage to the road. Now, it is possible for a country like Jamaica that routinely does not collect all the money it needs to deal with school and education and healthcare and national security to not have enough money to deal with the roads.
Well, I'm not the engineer, but you don't answer the other question.
The man asked me a question. How is it that the country could have a budget of one? He asked me that question. I'm answering that question. That question.
So the Prime Minister signed the Ethics Code of Conduct?
No. Let me finish answering this question, Kasha.
Listen, man. The engineer, you know, come up as a preach, brother. You understand what I said?
All right, Kashan, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. No, Kashan, 30 seconds to answer.
To answer one question.
No, man, you can time it. You can time it. 30, Kashan, 30 seconds to answer, all right?
You answer one already.
Let me just finish off this 30 seconds and go to the other two. 30 seconds, you can clock.
Listen, hear me answer, bad man. Your answer already. What the other two answer them? Did the Prime Minister sign the Ethics Code of Conduct? And him ask another question, why did the Prime Minister repeal the Road Maintenance Act in 2017?
All right, so second thing, Road Maintenance Fund was not collecting sufficient money to deal with the roads. What the Prime Minister did was that he got rid of that whole concept. He put the money instead in the Consolidated Fund. And since that time, the government was able to pool the money that they collect from that tax along with money that they collect, other money in the Consolidated Fund, and put more money towards fixing the road. That is what has happened. Very, very smart idea. Third question.
Yeah.
What's the third question?
Did the Prime Minister sign the Ethics Code of Conduct?
The Ethics Code of Conduct, what? That the Integrity Commission put up?
Yeah.
No, he has not signed it.
He has not signed it. Okay. Right.
No.
So Jamaica, say you answer them?
Yes, and I'm more reply on all three of them.
Why you don't reply for your question like that?
Jamaica, come on, Jamaica.
Well,
You don't have no reply. You don't have no reply.
Conversation.
No, listen, man replying a brethren.
But gosh, and you know, so the man get kicked with man.
He's the man replying to man, you to just talk, man, to make you alone talk.
Okay. Let me mute my mic.
All right. You said that the Prime Minister put the road maintenance collection into the Consolidated Fund to fix roads. So I'm asking you, are the roads in Jamaica fixed? And you made mention of an Hurricane Beryl, that affected primarily 2 parishes, St. Elizabeth and Clarendon, right? So I'm asking you, how is it that you're going to use that Hurricane Beryl to say all of the roads in Jamaica mash up because of Beryl? And did that Beryl blow for 9 years straight? So that's the question right there. And the ethics code of conduct, for your information, and you can do your own research, it is not a Jamaican thing. Yeah, it is an international standard. So when Delroy Chuck coming out and saying that, well, he agreed to it when he came into Parliament first, to say yes, even your spouse and your kids must declare their asset. He agreed to it, right? So it is not an integrity commission act. It is more of an ethics code of conduct for international governance. Yeah. So I'm responding to your 3 things. So let me go back over. Did the Hurricane Beryl blow for 9 years? And when the money went to the Consolidated Fund, was it used to maintain the roads in 9 years' time? And the last one is a statement to tell you that it is not the Integrity Commission ethics code of governance. It is an international act, for your information. So I hope you hear those clearly.
All right, yeah, Wagwan.
I'm not hear the question, brother. I'm humble, brother. Yeah, what I said them cash.
We just have 1% from the foot. Let's go and talk. Let me get some percent.
Okay.
All right, so we move on.
So where's the king?
I don't hear the question. Man, I say we have
the question is basking. Let me repeat it slowly because you probably don't comprehend properly. Yeah, I'm asking you.
Question 1, I'm answered.
Question 1.
And big a question.
Mention of Beryl, and Beryl affected 2 parishes primarily, which were St. Elizabeth and Clarendon, right? Yes. So I'm asking, did Beryl blow for 9 years straight, so that you can blame the road conditions on Beryl?
No.
Hold on, I'm not finished. Please.
Ask the question so we can answer it.
I'm not done. Yeah? Did Beryl blow for 9 years consecutively? Yeah? The second one, all right. So first, answer that one. Did Beryl blow for 9 years straight?
No.
Yeah, so how can you be blaming Beryl for the roads?
Because we're blaming it for this year.
You're blaming it for this year?
According to...
So the roads just started going bad this year?
He blamed Beryl for the added destruction.
The added destruction?
Yeah.
So
exasperated destruction.
So I'm all right. Let's go into the business of maintenance, right? So you're telling me over 9 years the roads weren't being maintained. So you
sufficiently, it wasn't sufficiently.
All right. Let me come in and answer him quick and fast. 3%. No, Baskin. Let me just answer him quick and fast and done. You clearly weren't listening to me with what I told you about roads. Roads have something called a life. When a road comes to the end of its life, no amount of maintenance can take care of the road.
But why most of these roads need
whoa.
That is not maintenance. That is foolish.
Jamaica asks you to make you ask a question.
No, but you have
Alright?
to talk
No,
things that make sense.
no. And I'm Jamaica, say I mean if me fi talk what makes sense, Jamaica. Say I know this is what I do for a living. Stop it, man.
One at a time. Let me hear.
The roads, several of these roads they are claiming that is maintenance need to be reconstructed and reach the end of them life. See? And so a project like Spark that is putting in this sort of money, this is the sort of projects we need to put in
Why no?
over several years. What do you mean why no? Jamaica don't have oil. We have to pump too much money for double it. No, we have to pump too much. No. Jamaica, we're not doing this. Jamaica, we're not doing this. No. Caution, give me 30 seconds, Jamaica.
One at a time, please. One at a time.
Jamaica.
Engineer, I want to ask you a question. Can you say you're in that field, right? What is the lifespan of a road? In the lifespan of a road?
One at a time.
Engineer.
One at a time.
Depends how much money you put in.
Around 20 years. Generally around 20 years.
All right, so next question.
But you have issues. Wait, let me stop. You also have issues that can shorten the lifespan. In Jamaica, for example, overload a lot of the trucks, which cause most of the damage on the roads. So a typical Jamaican road you find will be damaged before a 20-year life cycle.
All right, so let me ask that question.
Sure.
In the first term, when the JLP was going around saying that they are doing carpet.
Yeah. They were maintaining a lot of the roads. They were.
Right? So hold on. So when them that do carpet, it wasn't PNP fault while them are maintaining road and carpet.
The question I don't understand the question.
Hold on, you have a nice background that's anti-distract me, that's why. Right? So in the first term of this government, they were fixing roads. They fix a lot of road in a UN then. Forget Niger Clark in vote. They fix Mullines Road, forget Niger Clark in vote. Right? Now, these same roads that they fix, right, in 20 hours, that would be like 2017, 2018. 20, right? They fixed these roads, right? So now we are in 2025, which is 7 years later in. And all of these roads are in a deplorable condition again. So when you're talking about lifespan, then that means that we're not getting value for money. I'm going to give you all on the DJ before you come on. I'm going to give you what we're talking about, value for money.
If you ask man a question, you have to ask him fast.
Yeah. Well, right? Why something there? Bowie built Passage Fort Drive in Portmore, right? In 06, they finished that road in Passage Fort in Portmore. And up to this day, that road is one of the best roads in Portmore. Passage Fort Drive, Dyke Road, and Back Road. So I want to understand now how the road that fixed 7 years ago compared to the road that fixed almost 20 years ago. What's it? Or the one we fixed 20 years ago stand up, and the one we fixed 7 years ago mash up?
All right. So again, I'm gonna say, if you have an existing road, and all you do is that you come onto that road, and all you do is just re-asphalt the road, that is not the reconstruction or the overhaul that you need to do to the road at the end of its life cycle. See? So you're going to find that if you simply just maintaining a road or repaving a road, when it's very just let me finish, big man.
No, but you're not answering what I asked you.
No, but Cosmo, give me my 30 seconds, let me finish. I can't do this. See? You'll find that if you do that, the road is going to deteriorate after a short time after that. The point that you mentioned about value for money, that is a good point. I do not believe that we get value for money on several of these road projects because in a lot of the cases, they're trying to stretch the dollars. They're trying to pave as many roads as they can, and they're not doing the sort of work that they need to do. That road that you mentioned by Bouygues, that road per kilometer is far more expensive than what we are spending on our roads per kilometer. So if we did what they did on that Bouygues road, you'd find that we'll be able to address less road. But Jamaica has a big problem because Jamaica has one of the
densest road network. It's a top 10 country in terms of road density in the world. See? So the issue of funding and the issue that you mentioned in terms of dollar for money, that's a very good point, Cosmo.
All right, well on now. So we're going right as you know. So this is let me tell you this one. This is 2024. So I got given the key. So blue mean extremely wet and red mean extremely dry. When it in the middle, so it wouldn't have slightly dry. So yellow wouldn't be slightly dry, and orange wouldn't be dry, and red silver go down. So the green wouldn't be a little bit wet and whatsoever. This is 2024. According to the statistics from Jamaica, Jamaica was wet. All right, well I don't know. I got to 2020. So we do things over there, so all right, now look on this figure you know, right? We have green patches up in the Blue Mountain there, so South Coast, clearing the St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. In a Kingston right here, so all of them places are extremely dry. When you see it no blue or green, you know, say, you understand, no whole heap of water there, as according to the Prime Minister. Now, the next one now. This is 2022. We couldn't get 2023. I don't know why. All right, no. So we're going to 2000. I think this is 2001. So the little piece of wet now we have now up in a St. Thomas right there. So no, Portland. And down in a Hanover to Westmoreland. So the claim where the Prime Minister make, me no see it on the stats right there. So because if this claim was true, approximately more than 50% of Jamaica would have blue or slightly blue.
Caution, it is a fact, it's a statistical fact that we're getting stronger hurricanes, more rainfall. That's a fact. That's not something that we should debate.
Listen. But listen, the engineer, well on a Jamaica, the engineer, you have the we call them meteorology. When we look back on the name, we measure the amount of rainfall in a Jamaica. Well, when we look back on the name and tell you exactly, because this is what you should do before the Prime Minister, you come out and the meteorological service of Jamaica, them tell you how much rainfall fall in Jamaica, and this is where I get my information from now when I put on the screen. So if
you're saying last year was a drought year.
The engineer.
Yeah, that is true.
That's what you're saying.
You're
saying no, boss man. You're saying last year with a hurricane and a tropical storm and record rainfall in the month of November. That year when you check.
Listen. The engineer.
I don't think you're correct.
The engineer. Let me teach you something. The engineer, the maximum record a rainfall ever fall in Jamaica was 1980 something. Type in your Google June flood. Just type in that. That is the maximum record ever recorded in the history where people are lose them life. You understand what I say? So when I talk about facts,
no. Caution. What I'm saying.
Hey, listen, man. Listen. With your claim,
you didn't hear what I said.
Listen. You say a record that is the most ever fallen in Jamaica, and that is a liar.
Okay. I'm wrong when I say record, but I'm wrong when I say record. Your
caution. I can't say something. DJ
Caution. The number cannot. All right, let me hear you.
Take out last year out tight. The year then before, what was the problem?
From around 20, the numbers that I look on from around just after 2020, there are some drought years around just after 2020, and since that time, give me a chance to talk, big man. Since that time to now, the rainfall has increased. The amount of rainfall that we have had on our roads has increased, and it's for a bunch of different reasons. Some people say some of it is climate change, some of it is because of urbanization, and because you have more concrete surfaces, you have more water on the road.
Okay,
right?
There's no climate change in Jamaica after by no rain.
All right, listen, you see, no.
Listen, me, man.
Wait a man. No, but hear me, no king. That's what I'm going to say. You see, if you're going to tell me that climate change isn't real and all of the discussion that we're having at seminars
Not in Jamaica.
about stronger hurricane, no,
Not
big man,
in Jamaica.
about stronger hurricane and more rainfall, you can go ahead and make your point, but me not going to participate in other discussion.
Which
me not participate. No, me not participate.
The hurricane last year.
All right, listen, man.
The hurricane last year. Are the strongest hurricane Jamaica face?
Me say me don't talk, big man. You
listen. The engineer. If you don't talk, no open back your mic. But I will simply try to say in a 2000. Remember, in a 2021, them say we record like twice the normal amount of rain in a 4 parishes, right? 4 parishes. You understand? That is 2020. We're in 2024 now. From 2020 to 2024, it has not gotten higher than that. You understand what I say? And if we go back and analyze the rain pattern, well, man, if we go back and analyze the rain pattern, back then, when time it touched September, right? Rain normally fall from September, go straight to October. When me I go to school, me used to remember that. They saw when rain fall. Every time it touched September, rain fall. And me pass through couple September well in a Jamaica right now. Since Andrew take over. And we not see no rainfall from September to October, November.
Already say I'm not participating in no discussion with nobody who tell me that crime.
All right, listen. Mute your mic, don't unmute your mic on that. We're not begging for participate on it. You understand? But we simply try to use the analogy where the Prime Minister you said we have a record climate change, which in the climate change where we have the engineer is drought. We have less rainfall.
Definitely.
The engineer, like you might not, the engineer, you're not participating in it, I'm not talk to you. I have 100 odd people that listen to me. And you me I talk to. You understand what I say? The climate change what we have in Jamaica is drought. It's not excessive rain. So when you come now and I talk about climate change and more rain and fall and this and that, our climate change that we have in Jamaica right now is drought. We don't have enough water. We dam them from when 2017 come right up. We dam now reach to 100% capacity. That is a climate change. So when Unaga say climate change, like say, oh, water there are enough and every day water and this and that and wait a lie you tell, brother. You tell lie on the rain. You tell lie on the cloud. You tell lie on the earth, madam. I saw lie. No, sir. I can't believe this, brother. The man said, me see days gone last year. Other than the little storm pass. We are big for little rainfall. We dying to see the place overcast. For little rainfall. People are say, please, Father, fall little rain. And this man here, I go come and say, we have the most rainfall. Me remember when we used to go to school in the early 2000s. Remember me telling me, when we touch September, I have to have a raincoat. I have to have my yellow raincoat in my bag. Because from September to October, rain does fall. It might not fall like straight, non-stop, you know. But you will get all, for the morning or in the evening, you know, so every morning the rain fall. Or every evening the rain fall. Or during the day the rain fall. Straight through September, October to November. They used to call it so the rain season. The rain season. And now that change. We're September. Alright, see September gone right there, yeah. When burial come in a something there. September we're gone, we are come down. Remember, you know, them not tell yourself we be careful of how we are use water. You remember that report that come out after burial passing and say, boy, we feel cautious about how we are use water because they not get the amount of rain, water to full the little dam. And as a matter of fact, one dam called Marasca Road locked down. So you can imagine. We not the kind of climate they will not talk about, me Dan Mike. The Prime Minister lied to me, General. The Prime Minister lied to him. He keep on a lie to him.
I know him come alive.
The man keep on a lie to him for suit himself. The climate change what we are having is drought. Less rainfall. Less rainfall we are get. Drought. And you come up here, sir, and I tell we say, and more rainfall are falling in Jamaica. When me right now, alright, you see where me live? You see the lady who me rent my place, she love harvest water. And I can tell you that, you see, last year and year before last year, a ball a woman there, a ball, all the yard. all the yard get brown. Cause you know when the rain now fall, the leaf them go dry up on this and that and right there. And the little storm come in a last year, kind of flourish it. And right now, a ball woman a ball already. January just start and a ball shot ball already. I said, January the year I go rough. We not get enough water. Yeah, people harvest water. We harvest water. We store water. She's that kind of lady. She loves store water. I don't know for what reason.
Caution. You see when the facts catch him, you listen how him behave.
Yeah, he might keep on open me mic to disturb me from talk when me I talk because I know true me I go talk.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's something when them talk about say the country basically dry. I show the map where them show you no blue. If it is a blue, that means they would have the place with extra wet.
Well, thank you, Caution. I only come up here for throw down the lies them way I tell. And I'm a big liar, the engineer there. All him do is go round and round and talk a lot of foolishness and then lay arguments if you don't stop him and tell him, say, these are the things that you're talking about. I just came up to let him know, say, I'm a liar, big liar. And Baskin there, you're a big liar too, man. They're wicked. They are the ones who caused Jamaica to be in this. So, I thank you just a while ago to bring out the document and also explain about it. And you know, when them come up here, they're good because you get to tell them and show Jamaican people how big and lie them be. Just like the Prime Minister. And it is not a joking thing, it's a serious thing. Jamaica is in the mess because of lying and thieving and wicked people like them. Them can't tell me, say, there's no missing funds when it comes to $3 trillion. Show us the receipt that it is being spent properly. Yeah? The money was allocated over $902 billion to the education ministry. And we cannot find the receipt. Then talk about Dana Morrison Dixon talk about new technology that they are using to calculate. And that new technology has been introduced to Jamaica from 2002. That is the accrual system. And that is simple moving from the paper base into a digital phase. And that is actually collecting data before even the money is being dispersed. So when them come and talk all of them foolishness here, people need to tell them, say them a liar. The engineer is a huge liar. And I feel hurt the other day him talk about Marcus Garvey is a criminal. So we want to ask him now, and labor rights a jump up about them happy about Marcus Garvey pardon. They don't know nothing about that. And them to leave and stop try to take any form of credit because Julius Garvey.
Mike. You know what days are going to come where them are going to regret them thing what them have said though.
True, but me go now. Big up yourself, Caution, and big up everybody.
Yeah, man, that's all right.
Like the car run, and you make them kind of statement.
Nobody now run, man.
Your level of intelligence is nowhere near any comrade. So Caution will be
Caution. I'm saying I jump up. The last time I go on him live, him usher me out.
Yeah, because be a foolish if you talk. Caution will
be. So we come over here, sir. You come a Caution. See him run. Tell him, man. Caution, you make the man run.
But Baskin, when you just go around for make fun.
No.
And, yes, and create complaint. When you just come on it like you just want an argument. Yeah, because you don't want to listen to the facts. I don't realize with you.
No, then if no one listens to him and run.
No, because him and the talks him all live before.
No, but him call me name and run. Hear that thing that.
So I that to no come to prove something. We are talking about the country.
No, we not prove.
Yeah, we are talking about the country.
Yeah. Then anything are good for the country.
And some of them will suffer dearly feet. We don't suffer dearly feet.
No, Baskin not suffer, man. Because Baskin not live in Jamaica.
Yeah, I suffer on the PJ already.
Baskin not live in Jamaica.
Who suffer on the PJ?
Baskin, me.
Me tell you, say, you go feel the way you're talking. Me tell you,
Baskin.
You go feel it, man.
Baskin.
I want to come back now.
May I ask you a question, Baskin? Baskin, what on the PJ? You say you suffer on the PJ. How much people in Jamaica become homeowner under PJ administration?
Probably many.
Over 150,000 150,000 people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, become homeowner under PJ, right? A simple thing like a motor car where enough of them are brag about now. And a PJ make man could have buy car. Right?
Yeah,
Another thing that was under PJ.
Some of them are going to PJ issue.
Oh, PJ traumatized you. Oh, PJ traumatized you.
Oh my God, we did a couple of hours we tell you.
Caution, you remember?
Hold on. Me personally.
Hold on the caution. You remember I told you earlier that before Baskin come off our program, he's gonna go back in the past when same one said earlier, so we can't go in the past.
True.
You remember I said that to you?
No, I never tell you can't go in the past.
You remember I said that to your caution?
No, I never tell you that. I say you cannot go in the past to get the solution, brother.
Allah, yeah, tell Basking, me depend if I up here,
to get the solution.
Around 6:30, somewhere around that time, to be exact, when you say it.
Okay, well, if you
and I said to you, I bet you him gonna go back in the past when it suit him before him come off my program.
You guys were going for
this
the
is
solution. So you guys go to the past for the solution.
May I ask you a question. Your Prime Minister said he don't add no new tax. But do you agree so we're paying more tax?
Yeah, I agree that we're not paying no new tax.
Yeah, but
no, the man asks are you agree we're paying more tax?
I'm not understanding that sentence. You mean if we collect more taxes? Yeah, we collect.
No, the man said that we are paying because if you collect more tax, it have to be that we are paying more tax.
Well, you don't understand. Well, I guess you don't understand the language. What it means.
Okay, all right. Let me put it simply to you then. If you buy a bread for $200,
yeah,
2022, right?
Yeah.
I buy a bread 2022 with $500.
Yeah.
Do you pay more tax on the bread?
No, you still pay 15% tax.
Yeah, but remember, the price go up. The price go up.
So Baskin, 15% at $200 is how much, Baskin?
15% of 200, around 30.
Yeah, so much.
30.
15% of 500 is so much.
Gotta be more.
How much?
We can calculate that. 15%.
$45.
Wow, you're
$45. So you're paying $15 more.
Yeah.
So you understand the term now why we're paying more tax? Because
no. All right, then suppose
$75.
All right, then suppose the tax.
$75.
Okay.
You're paying $45 more.
Yeah.
$75, 15%. $75. You're paying $45 more.
Yeah, you don't. Okay, but the price went up, but the tax.
So how you say? So how you say? Baskin,
price is gonna always go up.
No, still paying more tax on the same product.
No, then come on. We're talking about
Baskin. All right, so Baskin.
But here, if the price go up and the tax go up, won't you pay more?
Hold on. No, hold on. No, Baskin. Hold on.
The price is always gonna go up.
You don't understand.
No,
price always go up. Price never remains.
No, hold on, man. Hold on.
If the price goes down,
will you pay more? I ask a simple question. Basket, just one. I ask a question. Is 30 greater than 75?
No.
So 75 is greater than 30?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All right. That's all I want to ask you.
Okay. All right. Then, so, all right. If the tax went up now, all right, use your analogy. All right. If tax went up, so if the tax went up by 1%, now I'm paying 16% instead of 15%, and the price also went up. Will I pay more?
You're assuming.
I'm not assuming. That's why we're saying the tax gonna remain the same, but the price. Yes. He never tell you that the price is gonna go up.
So how you coming about increasing tax? How you coming about increasing
tax? There's no tax increases. Tax never go up under. That's what it means. The tax remain the same. Yes, the price gonna go up. You never said the price wasn't gonna go up.
Hold on.
No, listen up. Well, that statement that Baskin will go over that, you know.
Yeah, that's why we don't want to go back. Let's say again.
Baskin, if I buy one bread for $200 at 15% GCT, that would have been $30 GCT me pay, right?
Yeah.
Right? And if the bread raise go to $500, don't me pay more GCT?
You pay more GCT? No, the GCT is removed.
Yeah, exactly. So I pay how much now? 30 and 30.
$75.
$75
I go pay.
But did
buy
the
one bread.
GCT increase?
The GCT not increase, but I'm pay more in a tax.
Okay.
You pay more basking.
So look now, basking.
So he said he's gonna keep the tax
basking. Look, you know, the style is that you see the budget I go read now. I want everybody observe the food prices are gonna go up by March. Me bet to know, and I gotta have some food shortage. The food are gonna go up. So when them raise the food and a tax you, that is what we call indirect tax. So when Classic come up and ask you say if you can get rid of indirect tax, you cannot get rid of indirect tax because at the end of the day, indirect tax is when you make moves like these where you're not stabilizing the food price. You understand?
Yeah, but all right. So what you're saying?
When I stabilize the price, so you end up having to pay more for tax. So if last year.
All right. So wait it. All right. During Portia's term, was the price? Did the price increase compared to Bruce Collins time?
Not it was marginal increase.
Okay, but it increased. No matter care.
Yeah, marginal
the price
increase.
is gonna always go up, but
yeah, but
government can control.
You ask a question. I get down there to brush something there.
Yes.
Under Portia 4 years. Hold on. Under Portia 4 years, we had marginal increase on things, right? Under this administration, no. We have a cabbage where that was used to be a backup staple food for people. Poor people used to get cabbage for $20 a pound. Look on the cabbage where caution. Put up the cabbage there, caution. Look on that cabbage there. I'll look on the price of that cabbage there.
What a cabbage in the supermarket?
Look on the price of cabbage.
Yeah, too much cabbage.
$700 now for one cabbage.
For one cabbage in a supermarket.
So no government can control the price going up of goods. But what the government can control is what the government can control is the taxes.
Baskin. How did Andrew Wallace campaign pan?
That he won
in
2016 where Andrew Wallace. You remember when they carried the food basket in Parliament?
In remember, man. What go on, General?
We're telling you, government cannot control people increasing price or lowering price, but what they can control is taxes. Tax that 15%.
You know,
adding more taxes.
beer madness attack. You know, beer madness
that's
attack.
what's madness.
Government. Oh, you mean government can control prices?
Oh.
PJ Patterson never do it, brother. And it work. Look how much years you got shop on food price stable, brother.
Under PJ Patterson, under PJ Patterson, a bag of rice sell for $700 for 100 pound of rice.
My youth, you have selective memory, just selecting to what to benefit.
Baskin, under PJ Patterson, 100 pound bag of rice used to be $700. It never reached $800.
Then why did it increase under Portia?
You remember that you have Bruce Collins. Remember you have Bruce Collins before you have Portia. Remember you have Bruce Collins before you have Portia.
And then it go up and up under Bruce, and then it went up again under.
So no, you know what I'm trying to show you. Say
the price
you say you suffer under PJ Patterson, and I live my best life under PJ Patterson.
Okay, fair, nothing wrong with that.
Right? Because I used to get paid. I used to get paid $27,000 a fortnight at Caribbean Boilers, right? And when me use the first fortnight money, me use it to stock up my house with food. I may buy for something like 100 pound bag of rice, may I buy, right? When me stock up my house with food, me have money for pay for lunch money for the whole month. I may have bus fare for go back to work for the whole month. I may still have little change. When me get my next fortnight pay, all me do I put in my bank. Me have to touch $1 out of it. $27,000 a week.
You see, next thing what them use is the reclassification of the pay. That is another part where them use the tax, because where even though them say them not tax, the thing them no new tax, them treat the people them, because where them don't know. People who used to collect certain allowances were never taxed. Them pull up everything and tax everything. So the government eventually get taxed. So instead of them say, yo, I'm gonna tax your clothing, I'm gonna tax you this. All him doing just put it together and tax everything together. So him dip him on in your allowance, your travel, your this or that. Him dip him on in it. Whether I want to believe it or not, but him just use a style. The man trick on us so good. That's why even if you tell me, say, yo, him are the best. Him are the best at tricking people. I'm not going to tell you a lie on that because the man trick all you where I thought no, we can't see say. Them actually collect more tax. There's no way. Them can collect less tax. There's no way.
Wow.
Them just use
Caution, tell me when you want me to respond to this stuff where I said. I can't.
You understand? Them just use a different mechanism. So when you use
No, all right.
people where
Caution, tell me when I can respond.
Well, so brother, I'm not answer me. I tell you, keep on interrupt my conversation, brother. You know, I'm telling you, here, you know. I need to acknowledge me hear you. So I say use a different mechanism, you know. So a man who used to having traveling allowance, in uniform allowance, were never taxable. He just group up everything in a one and start taxing. So instead I come and say, yo, you know, so I got collect 10% off of your traveling and 10% off of this. All them just pull everything together and tax it. So yes, we do have new taxes, but the way how them structure the new taxes, you, the ordinary person, now go look and understand, say, yo, you know, I pay more tax right now than even underneath PNP. You know, go see it. The man doing a ratty trick here. Big up yourself, Niger Clark, for trick people. And the best tricks that is never seen in life.
So I just want to make a comment here. Under the PNP, they were introducing new taxes, and also the cost of goods were going up. So they were also paying more taxes on the tax them will never go up. Correct?
PNP increase new tax. Increase
well on it. First,
every year the PNP bring in a new tax. Every year.
Well on a Cosmo. A PNP alone introduce new tax.
Yeah, and yes, and the previous government.
Okay. So, all right.
Not broke.
Wait, no. Who put tax on bread? Who put tax on sardine? Who put tax on flour? Who put tax on salt?
Caution, you cannot win. Caution, you cannot win. The GLP tax less. The GLP tax less than Peter Phillips.
Brother, the engineer, my ask you, who put tax on them then?
But the GLP tax less than the PNP. Everybody know that. Everybody know that.
Listen, man. Who put tax on when them disconnect your lights? Who put tax on when them reconnect your lights?
The GLP reduced GCT. The GLP reduced GCT. Reduced taxes.
Hold on. You reduce GCT. You reduce GCT. Introduce 100 more certificates that was not taxable.
The engineer. I don't want to go through this with you and your little stupid government. Because them things that when I talk about, the no say I want to bring in tax. And as a matter of fact, let me show you why the Jamaica Labour Party collect more tax. I'm telling you already, you know. Look into this simple analogy. 600 billion was the budget for 2015. And in 2024, we have a $1.3 trillion budget. Isn't that
because the country grow under the GLP?
Hey, calm down, man. Is it that double time the amount of money what would have pay for your budget in that time there? Which means that we have to pay more tax. And listen now. Remember now, you keep the dollar stable, right? You make that claim there. So if you keep the dollar stable, why our budget have to go up so fast? Because remember, if the dollar didn't move fast, we could understand why the budget are move, But the dollar now move, So that's what I tell you, say, anywhere you take it out, argument can't match up. Because if the US dollar remain at one steady rate, but yet still the budget are go up, and our main trading counterparts is the US. And you are going to collect more money from the people to spend money to the trading counterparts, but the money are increased dramatically every year. Something is not right.
Okay,
Something
so let me
right,
explain.
brother.
So let me explain. Number one, there's inflation, so the money is automatically going to get more. Number two.
Listen, man, brother. Don't come with that, because when we are talking about our budget, we're not talking about inflation. Come with something else. Me no want nobody to tell me. No. Listen, man. Come with something else, because you know use that if you are talking about inflation concept. Listen, inflation for go right across the board for every administration.
Yeah, come with something
every
else.
administration.
Under the GLP.
So at the end of the day, on the JP alone face inflation. Well, yeah, we always have a high inflation, because since December the inflation gone up. The inflation gone up now. You understand? It has increased. The second thing now, when me have a problem with now, with the whole reclassification at the PS grade, is that Jamaica Labour Party.
So you don't want to hear why they collect more taxes. You know what?
Jamaica Labour Party. Listen, you don't have to tell me, because when you have come try to tell me now, that make no sense. Anybody can listen to me and say, and it makes sense.
Economy grow under the GLP, grow under the PNP.
Listen, man. Hear me and say, man. The Jamaica Labour Party has increased the departure of our senior workers. For example, teachers, doctors, nurses. They have increased the departure, and they have decreased the service in all of these categories. And let me show you why now. When you go to the hospital, you are more likely to get dealt with by a junior doctor. Right? We don't have no senior doctor, a teacher, junior doctor anymore, because the reclassification, where them come in with now, we have inexperienced doctors looking after patients now. We have inexperienced nurses looking after patients. We have inexperienced teachers teaching children now in the school, because the reclassification actually is an insult to the senior teachers them, and you are going to want the senior teacher them to teach, the senior doctor them to teach, the senior nurse them to teach, and who them a teach, I get more money than them. That is a big insult. So I personally support them when them decide to leave and go away, because I can't teach somebody and I get less than the person who me I teach. That makes no sense. So literally, you decreased our service in our island, because the Jamaica Labour Party wants the young people to vote for them. So it's a technical way of using the system to try to buy vote, because you know, so you cannot trick the senior people them, because them don't know what go on. Them senior in the system. But look at you now, we're 18, 19, 20, 21 to 25. Them don't know nothing. So when them go to workplace and when them look at them, say, rated, JP raised this and that and rated. And them say, right, me I get same amount as a person that were there for 15 years. Them I go look and say, oh, that government are good. But at the end of the day, check the long run, check the reality of it. None of these people will only give them raise a pay, don't have the experience to carry out the job what them supposed to do. And that is total slackness. That is destroying our country and setting us backward to 1969, when we just learn to teach picnic, when we just learn to make a nurse put a band-aid on a cut, when we just learn to make a doctor perform a surgery. We are basically resetting, not we, oh no, reset the system, so the system just learn right now how to angle this pressure. And look one time when we try to reset the system, when we are in pandemics, when we can't have any pandemics now. So imagine now a pandemic will come. We have a lot of immature nurses and doctors to go deal with this. Uno mash it up, brother. Hold on, let me play my song. Hold on, I have a song to play. Hold on, I have a song and I have a bad show. Hold on, I'm going to do it and play that song. That song, yeah. Need a song. That's how I want to exactly do. So on the people where, nah really, we're not going to say people are talk because this and that. Get a respond. Me attack for what me see actually happen. You understand? And any natural person can see this. They get to me and say, but you see a person who who align a certain particular way, them not gonna see what me I say because them only attack for win a conversation. They are not talking for the betterment of them country, and that is a problem we have with enough Jamaica Labour Party supporters right now. They are only trying to speak to win a conversation and not the betterment of the country, and that is totally wrong. You guys are contributing towards the downgrading our system because you can stand up to nobody not telling us to vote for PNP, but you can stand up and say, listen, we don't like this. You understand? Stand up. You don't like it. Make them have better accountability, make them have better things to do with the money, make them can show what I want instead of every single thing with them do. When you come on the media to defend it. I went to hear say the Prime Minister take up the money and put in a briefcase and bring up in yard and we catch him on camera. Who never come and try to defend it when we see it out of our 2 eye, and that is so bad. That is the reason why our country can't move forward as how we would want to move it forward. Whether I want to be PNP, whether I want to be JP, but right now, me have to talk about JP because I own it in a power. So you can't come tell me about
reclassification right program.
I do this right now. People change.
Right, so the reclassification program.
People like off the mic no bumble wall. You understand? You have a lot of people who come new in a party with new intentions. So me can't go judge a person based on other people's character. The only thing for me is to give people a chance. And we give Jamaica Labour Party a chance. Jamaicans select them, majority, and let them a rule for all long. We don't need them no more. We don't need them no more. We don't need nobody to come explain and tell us what will happen at the third term. When they suffer the people for two term, and uno, we suffer the people for 2 term. Uno well alright to buy how much apartment. Uno well alright to buy how much condo. Uno well alright to buy offshore this, offshore company. All of them come in the Jamaica Labour Party MP. Brock, Lupanal, Rhoda Crawford. She come in with one little vaxi van. And right now it's a hard share drive. And I build one big mansion down at Manchester. You understand me? I say, look on Fly Green. Fly Green are coming to politics with money. And look on him now. We have only for them where we can point out. What we see. And we know say something not go on. We're not supposed to go on. But guess what now? Chubukan MP, Chubukan party, we're not going to defend it to the max of the ground. And if the shoes, they depend on the other foot, we don't talk so. We not come out and things that me I see right now. And it will not talk about. Things that me I talk about right now, today, right now. And it would not be full the talking point. But you not play like on the blind. We not play like on the don't see. And we not play like on the don't care, brethren. I mean, hate that situation there. Me hate that situation there because much as how me support the PNP party, me want to see them do good. Me want to see them do good. And me want to see them do better. Me don't want to see them come in a power. If you just come say, yo, my party in a power. Me want to see them go in a power because me want to better my country. Me want to can stand up proud and say, Jamaica me come from. And people now segregate themselves from within the CARICOM Islands them. People are draw from we. A lot of people out there right now are afraid to say them are Jamaican because of all of what take place in Jamaica. Not only crime, but oh God man, the Prime Minister involved in so many things. And it are broken. To see the people them a cry for this man and say, yo brother, resign. Give somebody else in a party. And the man dry eye, be a face, and make it look like say a Jamaican don't like him. So what if we don't like you? If you're a thief for money, we not gonna like you. If we can't ask one simple question, we not gonna like you. What you think, say? I look on people for like them. You think it's a pageant this? We are look for results. We not look for no complain. So if you take up the role as a Prime Minister of Jamaica, don't come tell me say a rain make you can't fix the road. Find way and fix the road. Don't come tell me say a drought make you can't fix the road. Find ways and fix the road. That is your job to do. We not employ you to come complain. We employ you to see results. So the same thing, when Moses going to power, we want to see results. You feel like say we're going to have Moses in a parliament just here, so I walk up and down and this and that and right there. We want to see results. And that's why we want Moses going in now. Because we're tired of this, so we're not seeing a result. We're tired of the complaining. We're tired of the finger pointing. We're tired of it now. That's all the Jamaica Labour Party do. Point finger over there, son. I him do this. I him do that. I him do that. You in a power. What you are do? You not do nothing other than get up every day and point finger all over the place. If you can't manage a job, leave the job. As simple as that. What you are well for the job for?
All right, so the reclassification program.
I'm going to play my song yet, man. Come on, brother. I'm going to play my song yet, brother. I want to tell my youth.
Play your song. Play your song.
Brother, man.
Play your song.
Yeah, man. I play my song, man. I play my song. And people them can relate to this in the comment section. Well on there. Oh, well on there. On this. Bluetooth. So I'm going to put the Bluetooth on. Play my song.
Pull up.
Me I do this, me not talk with no doubt.
What do the temporary and the salary? What do the teacher, the helper, the nurse? Yo.
When Andrew said Jamaica freeze, nobody do a run. This a gonna be the biggest robbery without gun. You ever see a man?
All the country in ransom.
Jamaica get fucked
without a condom.
You can't call
police. You're mad?
This man, this me ever see a running ground. Hey.
Read the comment them, Caution. Read the comment them.
Yo, man, allow me, brother. I'm burn my fire. I want to know.
Me I do this, me not talk with no doubt.
What do everybody see the salary? What do the teacher, the helper, the nurse, it a bother with? When Andrew said nobody freeze,
nobody do a run. This a gonna be the biggest robbery without gun.
You ever see a man hold a country for ransom? Jamaica get fucked without a condom. You can't call police. That now come.
The baddest man, this me ever see a running ground. When not in a bag of chat, him a tweet and turn and any boy talk. Lose them teeth and tongue. First thing,
look what them do to anyone. As a man get a break, you gone with the slang.
Next thing, you know who got from, cause that a the artist.
That a the politician.
Mr. Man, what you know about Clark's brand?
Keep me teeth it from the Gaza done. From you are we a gentleman.
No Clark see what you use an election. Jamaica, me ask have a dream. How this a digital thing ya adin?
Then when the bad juice sell and the go sell and the
jerk man forget card machine. Hold on.
All the go them have to get tip. It look like
money pull up and go get lick. Then I want to go on a back road, if strip. You a send them customer, you go lock face.
Come here, car. A brawling robbery. You know see a brawling robbery. This better than these real young.
You know see a buy neck them halfway. Brawling robbery. You know see a brawling robbery. You know see a citizen around and a jump Mexico all gladly. Jamaicans are run out, Chinese them a run in. You know see a tour road them alone look clean. Everywhere you turn in this a crime scene. All the returning residents free to fly in. Yeah. Public sector's a cry. Can't believe you a deal with them so dry eye. You know see the minimum wage need a maximum raise. Poor people need a little blight. Yeah.
Poor people need a little blight.
What me say?
Poor people need a little blight.
Yo, SSL, get away the hell. All the money can and nobody can tell. All the save, we save the interest now swell. You know what you got when bucket got well. Tax off it pay, here's the return. Every time you no win, every bridge you no burn. When the youth them a hustle, that are the concern. We no praise wrongdoing, but with them I go turn.
Another dollar. Brawling robbery. You know see a Andrew robbery. This better than evil belly rhythm. But from the man coming up power, the man that's a tax way. Jesus Christ to blood. Hey. Yo, brother, me no know.
Yeah, come at the people that says pull up the song then, brother.
Eh? Pull up the song then.
You never
I drive and I think someone can't crash, brother. Can't. Listen, we can't buy a headlight.
Play back the first one, brother. Play back the first one. Play back the first one you play. Play back the first song you play.
Which one of them?
No man, play the anthem. Play the PNP anthem.
Play back the first song where you play, Kasha.
You're a leader, Banya.
Oh, well on there.
Grandfather Banya. My mother Banya. Yeah, the anthem, no, man.
Yeah, you don't select over here, so man. We select where we want to play.
Well on, come put on all the phone and oh, that one
Pull
I'm
up,
not talking.
pull up the anthem, man.